May I, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 12 with the consent of the other party, Your Lordship. Since Mr. K. Tama is out of station, Your Lordship, this matter may be kindly posted for 11th of August, Your Lordship.
So, Mr.
J.
Jayasri, Learned Counsel. For the respondent,
For the victim.
for the respondent,
This victim at 11, 12 minutes.
submits that leading counsel, Mr. K. Tama, has some
11th
personal difficulty today. Therefore, fresh for listing of the matter on 11, 8/20/26. Mr. Prayer Dumpdin objected by MS SB Darang Lanet Amicus Security. Let this matter be posted for 11/08/2026.
Your Lordship, another item number 14.
Mr. P. Theatre, Lanet PP, Edison PP, for the state is present.
Your Lordship, another item number 14. I'm for the appellant, Your Lordship, in this case.
14 is
14 is with 13 and 14. Connected matters, Your Lordship.
13, 14, same. Yes, sir. Same.
Same, Your Lordship.
Here you are for
Appellant.
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 K. Tama, for the appellant.
Lordship, my presence will be recorded. My presence will be recorded.
Your name?
G. Gini.
G. Gini. G. Gini for?
Item 14.
Yes.
Number 3. Lordship.
For respondent number 3. And Mr. T. Lanet Edison PP. This item 13, who is 13? Who is in 13?
13.
Bengia
Bengia, sir.
reflecting matter.
Have you informed him?
Yes, Your Lordship, we have already.
Then in you just their name in criminal appeal 626.
Okay.
Yes.
Much obliged.
Obliged.
May it please Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 2. I'm on behalf of the petitioner. The matter may be listed after 2 weeks.
Item 2.
Item number 2.
Affidavit has been filed.
Yes.
It's a
Yes, Lord.
virus of the rule.
My lord,
Yes.
we have
filed.
filed the affidavit, my lord.
Why we could have taken it up today?
The leading counsel is out of station.
And you have not filed affidavit in reply. You have taken at least 5 times to file affidavit in reply. That's right.
If you want to file it, file.
MS
T. Riram.
T.
Riram.
Ram, Learned
Yes.
Counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. T. Taba, Learned Counsel for the petitioners, submits that Mr. Taba, T. Taba, Learned Counsel for the Learned Counsel has some personal difficulty today. Therefore, first for listing of the matter after 3 weeks.
Yes.
3 weeks.
After 2
Uh,
weeks, Your Lordship. 2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks.
No. Okay.
Is there any interim order?
No, no, my
No.
lord. Just
Okay.
right.
Then why 2 weeks? Okay, 2 weeks. We have not been objected to by Learned Counsel for the respondents MS Arbasar Learned State Council and Mr. T. Tang Learned Standing Council, Health and Family Welfare. Let this matter be listed after for 2 weeks.
Lordship, I would like to mention item number 5, Your Lordship, on behalf of Estavin, Senior Government Advocate, Your Lordship. Lordship, may kindly take up this matter after a week, Your Lordship.
Where is Mr. Tabi? There's nothing.
I've taken the consent, Your Lordship.
Or we thought we'll dispose of this matter. There's nothing.
He has some personal difficulties, Your Lordship.
We thought we'll dismiss the writ appeal. Anyway, what to do? We have heard Mr. Tapak for I think twice. We have indicated that writ appeal will be dismissed. Anyway, it is submitted by MS Arbasar Learned State Council that Mr. T. Estapit senior government advocate for the state respondents who has been entrusted with this matter has some personal difficulty today. Therefore, fresh for listing of the matter after
After a week, Lordship.
a week. Praise the Lord. List the matter after a week.
Lordship, with the same prayer, I would like to mention item number 11 also, Your Lordship.
11
After a week, Your Lordship.
after a week. Has
May I
some
please, my lord. My lord, I'm appearing for the appellant in item number 11.
appellant.
M. Ratan.
You have no objection. N. Ratan.
M. Ratan.
M. Ratan. For the appellant.
My lord, interim is there. That may be contested.
Interim order passed earlier, shall continue.
Deeply aware.
Same order on the ground of Mr. Tap.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention another item number 6. I'm on behalf of the respondent. The matter may be listed after 2 weeks. I've
Yes.
taken consent from the other party as well.
Item
Okay.
6.
Yes,
Item 6.
item number 6.
Your name?
I'm for the respondent, T. Ram.
T. Ram.
Yes.
Appearing on behalf of Mr. T. Taba, Learned Standing Council Rural Bank. For the respondents, submits that so and so has some personal difficulty. List of it is submitted that consent has been taken from the senior counsel from the for the appellant. Accordingly, let this matter be listed after 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Deeply obliged.
Item number 1.
My lord, on the last occasion, I was directed to take instructions. On the very next day, we also had the state has filed an IA for extension of time. For
So we'll issue notice in that case.
my lord, we'll be filing our instructions in a affidavit. My lord, there are
You file it. You file it. We'll issue notice. We'll issue notice because we thought if you come up with the instruction, we'll not issue notice. All right. Heard, Mr. L. Permanent Counsel for the petitioner. This is an application under Section 12 of the Contempt of the Court Act 1971, read with Article 215 of the Constitution of India and Rule 9 of Contempt of Court, Gauhati High Court Rules 1977, alleging willful disobedience and violation of the order dated. Order? Last order is
Last order is, my lord, 24/2/2026, my lord.
24/02/2026, passed in WPC 316. 60, passed in PL 16 of 2022.
First one is IA, my lord, in IA, my lord. IA number 316 up to 2025, my lord.
In IA number 316 of 2025, arising out of PL number 16 of 2022,
My lord.
issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Then counsel for the petitioners to take steps for service of notice upon the respondents by registered post with AD list of during within two working days. Next page. That's all. That's all.
my lord, this may be listed with the IA 136.
Okay, I will list it.
That's for extension of time.
Yes, my lord.
I has been filed here.
Yes, my lord. There also notice has been issued. my lord. So this may be
List along with
IA 136,
IA 136 of 2026.
2026. Obliged, my lord.
Obliged.
Item number 3.
My lord, in this case, the appellant has been convicted under 302 of the IPC to undergo life imprisonment. So therefore, this matter has come up for the first time, my lord. So notice to the respondent number 2. Along with the
302 conviction.
302, my lord.
This private respondent is not essential, but since you have impleted,
Impleted,
let
my
the
lord.
notice.
Since eventually, my lord, they'll come up saying that we have a participatory right,
Better.
my lord.
So we'll issue notice.
Should be admitted.
It has to be
Admitted.
admitted, then notice has to be issued, my lord.
Admit and issue notice.
Yes, my lord, call for the TCR. and-
Third, Mr. Jayasri, learned counsel for the appellant. Next, this criminal appeal is directed against the judgment and order of conviction.
A judgment dated 22/4/2026
Dated
and sentence order dated
22/04/2026 and order of sentence dated 30/05/2026 passed by the district and session judge, UP in sessions case number 190 of 2013, where the appellant has been convicted and sentenced to imprisonment for life with a fine of rupees 20,000 under section 302 of IPC 1860 with default stipulation. Next para. Admit, call for the trial court records. Next para. Issue notice to the respondent number 2.
yes, madam.
Learned counsel for the petitioners to appellant to take steps. Take steps.
Yes, my lord.
Routine-
Take steps to registry or through usual process, my lord.
Usual process.
In IA,
IA also.
IA also, my lord.
I also issue notice. Huh?
Same order.
Issue notice.
Yes,
Lease after?
Huh?
Lease after?
4 weeks.
after 4 weeks. Deeply obliged, my lord.
Item number 4.
May I please, Your Honor?
Sentence I don't find here.
Hmm?
Have you looked at the sentence?
Sentence?
Where is the sentence?
Yes, Lordship, it's 10103, Lordship.
But where is the sentence?
Like
Wanted.
Order of sentence.
I think it's 132.
130.
It's in the front page.
Sentence to life. Yes, 133, para 7.
Para 7, ma'am.
This is not in the this.
Not there?
It's not here.
Oh.
In here.
Oh, the index.
Index. The certificate copy is not there in the front
It should be there.
initially.
Starts with the synopsis. Certified
No,
copy.
this certificate in here.
It's not placed in the top. Usually that is the procedure.
It's not there. This or it's here, but then
Where?
this there.
Oh, inside is there.
This is the certificate copy.
More than.
They are supposed to be.
On the top. That's okay, then it's okay.
This is the certificate copy. Put it in the front page. It's there.
It's on the front page. On the-
This copy is the procedure. Only one certificate copy, or the certificate copy is to be in the first paper book,
Yes, Your Honor.
not in the second.
It is,
It should be, Lordship.
it is annexed in between, but usually it is on the top. That can be rearranged, I think.
Page number 17, Lordship.
No, see, certificate copy, usually it is placed in the front page
Yes, Lordship.
before the synopsis. I mean, before the synopsis.
Yes, Lordship.
Original copy.
Yes, Lordship.
Don't you need to put one more the Xerox in the
In the second.
second copy,
Lordship.
second file?
Yes, Lordship.
And here also the sentence is not there in the certificate copy.
I have filed along with the certified copy, ma'am.
No, that's what I'm saying. It's not here. Front page, it's not here. You have annexed it, but in the front page, it's not there. Anyway, what is the sentence? I mean, under
103, my lord. Life imprisonment.
Okay. We'll admit same goal for the yes. Same order. Mr.
Mdojim.
Mdoji, Learned Counsel for the appellant. Heard Mr. Mdoji, Learned Counsel for the appellant. This appeal is directed against the judgment dated 23/06/2026 and order of sentence dated 30/06/2026 with the appellant has been convicted and sentenced to undergo life imprisonment and with a fine of rupees 10,000 under section so and so 1031 of BNSS 2023 with default stipulation. Admit, call for the trial court record. Issue notice to the respondent number 2. Same. This after 4 weeks. All right. Is it that's clear?
Item number 7.
Yeah. Your Honor, I'm for respondent number 14 and 15. And I pray before my lords to grant me 1 week time because for some reason we could not file the reply.
Yes.
I'm appearing on behalf of Lombe. The counsel for the petitioner. I'm appearing on behalf of D. Lombe.
Mr.
S. Irang, Lordship.
S. Irang, Learned Counsel for the Service Counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. L. Lombe, Learned
D.
Counsel for the L. Lombe.
Oh, yes.
L. Lombe.
D. Na?
M. Lombe.
M. Lombe.
Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Office note dated 29/07/2026 reflects that neither ID cards nor unserved notice is received in respect of respondent number 1013. In view, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks. Next para. As prayed for by MS A. Roy, Learned
Roy.
Counsel. For respondent number 14 and 15.
Yes, my lord. 14.
No, an affidavit may be filed in the meantime.
Much obliged.
Item number 8.
My lord, at number 8 in one line, my lord, it's similar kind of nature. There were,
ID card received back.
Please, Your Lordship.
my lord, they are appearing, my lord.
Okay.
Represent.
Then,
I'm yet to file my wakalatnama, Your Lordship. I have only instruction, Your Lordship.
okay.
My lord.
Heard Mr. T. Tagum, Learned Counsel for the appellant, Learned Standing Counsel
Yes, my lord.
for Education Department for the appellant. Service is complete. Mr. A. Menjo, T. Menjo, Learned Counsel E.
Yes.
E. Menjo, Learned Counsel for
Respondent.
respondent number 1. Respondent 1.
Only sole response.
Respondent.
Sole respondent.
Sole respondent enters appearance. As prayed for that this matter be listed for admission after 3 weeks.
3 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks or 3 weeks?
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
3 weeks. Then item 10 also, 9 also.
9 also same.
9 also same.
Same. Sole respondent.
Yes, my lord.
Same order.
Highly.
Item number 10.
Anti-Corruption Foundation.
Lordship, I am for the petitioner. The affidavit of personal service.
In respect of which? Respondent number 9?
Respondent number 9, that is MSJTR Enterprise, has been filed as per the previous order of this honorable court, Your Honor.
Had Mr.
Entakam.
Entakam, Land
Yes.
Council for the petitioner, Anti-Corruption Foundation.
Yes, Lordship.
What is the allegation? PIL.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes. What is there?
Allegation is that, Lordship, without executing the work, they have,
What work? What work?
Lordship, that is
Water supply.
project, water tank, Lordship.
Water tank.
Yes.
Where?
It is in,
Anyway, this for only
Lordship.
affidavits. Hard, sir, huh? The petitioner has filed an affidavit regarding the proof of service of notice by the stimot upon respond number 9. Mr. Pair is the same. Mr. Perusal of the same indicates next pair, perusal of the same indicates that the respond number 9 has duly. Where is that? Okay, has duly received the notice. Mr. Accordingly, the service of notice upon respond number 9 is duly served. But none appears for the respond number 9. Next, MS P. Pango, London State Council. You have filed the affidavit.
No, Your Lordship, we have received a parawise. We need some more time, Your Lordship.
Praise for and granted 2 weeks time to file affidavit in the opposition. List after 2 weeks
Obliged, Your Lordship.
for admission. Nay?
Item number 15.
Please, Your Lordship.
Anything remains?
In fact, I don't know because the second recruitment was in 2022, the notice for second recruitment. But although I have no instructions from my clients, but my learned DSG has said that it has not been proceeded yet.
It has not been proceeded.
Yes.
Malad, that is another aspect, Malad. No advertisement was issued.
Now we just wanted to know the status.
Status.
Whether the second, there's no interim order.
No.
No interim order, Malad. In the second, Malad, Malad, the advertisement, she has also applied, Malad.
It's okay.
Yes, Malad.
We just wanted to know whether you have completed. It was in 2022.
Yes.
I don't think so. Either you have abandoned it or should have completed by now. When do you have the instruction?
Malad, in that case,
So
Malad,
it may have a relevance because it may have relevance.
Yes.
Because once it is completed,
Yes.
it will be rather academic kind of
In
exercise.
fact, what they are doing is something beyond my understanding because earlier in the recruitment, they were advertisement for 2 posts in which I had appeared. Second advertisement, they had 1 post has got lost. I don't know how. In 2022,
Only 1 post.
only 1 post.
Advertised.
Yes, and if what he said is true, then now also they are not proceeding. I don't know what might have happened.
But the exam was conducted or not?
No, the last time that was also 1 year back. I heard that it was not. May I suggest one thing, my lord? If the matter can be taken up on Tuesday, I'll also get instructions from my client.
I think it's better.
Yes.
Suppose if it is completed.
Yes.
Because Mr. DAJ is also not sure.
Yes. He has
But,
got to make.
I mean, that's whether, okay, forget about the completion,
Yes.
the process, whether the exam was conducted or not.
Yes.
Whether the exam was conducted.
The second one, Lordship.
Yes.
The instruction which I had got 1 year back, it was not conducted yet.
Conducted.
Yes. Till then. Now I have no idea. Yes.
I'm sorry, my lord. As per the recent instruction, my lord, the department is actively under consideration for conducting recruitment process. By September, my lord, yes, man.
Then we may hear it.
Pursuant to the, my lord, the second advertisement, my lord, the proposed selection and the recruitment process will be end by, my lord, September, my lord. As per the, no, not yet.
It has not been conducted.
Not conducted.
Since 2022.
There was several correspondences because this is the one of the institution.
Too much. Maybe correspondences.
And altogether, this is the not only post where the advertisement was issued. There are so many other posts where the advertisement was issued. So pace-wise, the advertisement will be completed by end of.
So we'll list it on next Tuesday.
My lord.
Tuesday next, you obtain
Yes.
clear and proper instruction.
Yes, my lord.
You also obtain petitioner, my lord, after, the appellant may either to participate or may not be interested also.
Maybe tired also.
And I've told, my lord, I'm informed. My petitioner by now, the age is also, my lord, over.
No, that may, suppose if the writ petition is allowed, there's no question of age.
True, my lord.
Because, appeal is allowed. You have to go by the earlier selection process. Anyway.
But my lord, it was the merit of the case is, anyway, my lord, it was just mere, my lord, the selection process, my lord. And even it was
No,
not.
it's not a question of mere. The exam, we are not saying that you cannot cancel, but it has to be on bona fide reason.
My lord.
Simply because you want to have this kind of nomenclature, change of nomenclature, that may not be, it appears to be little, vague.
Also, it is suspicious that one was got lost.
In the process. I'll come with the proper instruction to that extent also. My lord.
Okay. Having considered the issue involved in this writ appeal, and also as agreed to by learned counsel for the parties, MS N. Nangan, learned counsel for the appellant, and Mr. M. Kato, learned DSGI for respondents. Come on, let this matter be listed on Tuesday, that is on when?
4th month.
04/08/2026. So as to enable the parties to obtain instructions, as it is not clear as to whether the exam has the examination recruitment process has been proceeded with in terms of the pursuant to the second advertisement issued in the year 2022. 22.
Item number 16.
Who? We have another 4 result PP and including the public prosecutor.
Yes, my lord.
So,
My lord, actually today I come prepared with item number 12 actually, but they have taken adjournment, so I could not able to even go through the record of this
are
present.
you blaming us?
Not blaming us, my lord. I'm just disclosing the difficulty from our end, my lord.
No, that is why I always request and encourage that you should at least beforehand you should inform, and there's a notification for filing of adjournment slip.
And my lord, even
You so that both the bench and the judges and the lawyers don't have to take pain going through the files in the evening.
for item number 12, I have taken all the pain last night, but after later on they just inform me. But still I have not objected because they might have the difficulty. So it has been listed on Thursday. But
You have won. We have taken pain.
yes, man. Of course, madam.
15.
Yes, madam.
16.
On the midnight oil.
But we,
Yeah. Yes, absolutely, madam. Yes,
but
madam.
we have the brain and same soul. I mean, the same body, same brain.
My lord, but we are not that experienced like your lordship, my lord.
So what to do?
This is on 6th.
6.
This is a pending matter.
Obviously, this will be pending matter. Therefore, it is listed. If it is not pending, how it will be listed?
Yeah.
Thereafter. Yes, madam.
Week thereafter, I think we have fixed some matters.
13 no, hello.
We'll say after a week.
Yes, no fixed date.
After a week.
After a week, yes.
Okay. Mr. G. Talo, learned counsel for the appellant, is present, as well as Mr. T. learned additional PP. And Mr. T. learned additional PP present, as well as Mr. J. Sring for informant are present. Huh? However, it is submitted at the bar that learned additional PP who has been entrusted with the matter has some personal difficulty today. Therefore, parties have prayed for listing of the matter after a week. Praise the Lord. List the matter after a week.
Deeply obliged, madam.
Mr. M. Tasolan, counsel for the petitioner, is present, as prayed for by Mr. L. Perman, counsel for the Alice condemned
My lord.
for the 3 weeks' time is granted to file affidavit.
My lord. Obliged, madam.
List according.
Lordship, I would like to mention item number 7. On behalf of private respondent 3 and 4.
Mr. Kambo, learned counsel for the petitioner, is present. Next para, Mr. Spread for by Mr. Arkoy, learned counsel for the respondent number
3 and 4.
3 and 4 for the 2 weeks' time is granted to file affidavit in opposition. Affidavit in opposition.
Yes.
You have filed.
Yes, we have filed.
MS Arbasar, then State Council, has submitted that affidavit in opposition on behalf of the state has already been filed. List the matter after 2 weeks.
Okay.
Yes.
Item number 8.
8. Huh. Hmm. Mister, your name please. K. Kadu. Carlo, learned counsel for the learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. Esmo, learned counsel petitioner submitted. Mr. Mo, who is leading in this matter, has personal difficulty, therefore press for listing of the matter after 3 weeks. Praise the Lord, list after 3 weeks. Yes. Interim order passed earlier shall continue. Interim, what type of interim order? Okay. Interim order, just check it whether it is interim. Interim order passed earlier shall continue. Yes.
So next to mention item number 8.
Item? 10, huh? Huh? You are for?
My name is not reflected in the cost, but I am instructed by.
For the petitioner?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. T. Garam, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. G. Tarak, learned counsel for the petition submits that writ petition has become infectious. Plus, next pair, Mr. R.H. Nabam, learned additional advocate general is present. Accordingly, writ petition is since closed as in process.
Thank you.
Effect to mention item number 6 on behalf of petitioner. Matter may be list after 3.
Who is for the respondent? It's a government land or what?
Yes, sir. What's the common name here? What's it?
Item number 6.
I have been telephonically instructed. I'm unaware of it.
Huh?
I'm aware of the fact. I've been telephonically instructed.
You must be at least aware of the facts. Anyway, on the prayer of Mr.
On behalf of Peter.
the S. Yurang, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. T. Tapak, learned counsel for the list this matter after 4 weeks.
Item number 1.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Illegal proceeding against me by an officer who is not authorized under the Arunachal Pradesh Excise Act. The interim order, the impugn order is in the last annexure, page 68.
68.
Yes. This has been passed by the ADC cum district collector. I'm challenging the authority of the ADC to pass this order because Arunachal Pradesh Excise Act specifically defines the authorities who are to institute proceedings against any person or licensee who has allegedly violated any terms and conditions of the license. Number 1, Lordship. And there has been, by this order itself, there has been a direction for illegal seizure also, which is in the last page. In fact, it appears that the authority passing this order is not aware of the difference between seizure and confiscation. Seizure is something which is done before a proceeding is completed. so as to, it is like a criminal case. Confiscation may be done of something which is as a consequence of the proceeding. Here, apparently the authority themselves are not aware of this, and they have passed this order, Lordship. Now the facts of the case is that on on the night of 26,
Okay.
yes,
Why you are saying that the in charge district collector has no authority?
because as part of Excise Act,
Let us see.
yes,
What is the, anyway, before that, what is the direction? What order is been passed here?
order has been passed that,
Very long order.
yes, but the operative portion, your Lordship will find at page, the last page, Lordship, page 71, from the bottom, fourth para. Accordingly, Sri Karyamata, owner, and Sri Toli, the lessee of MS Club Cozy, is also directed to operate sell liquors at a designated location limited to the ground floor only, as per terms and conditions of the license number so and so, and to submit an undertaking to the authority not to operate multiple bars using a single license within 1 week from the issue of this order. If repeated, it may result in cancellation of bar license. The Superintendent Tax and Excise Narcotics is directed to seize IMFL beer sealed at MS Cozy rooftop restaurant, wine store room with proper seizure memo in presence of respondent, Sri Toli Atte, son of Yomto Atte, executive magistrate and police personnel. Further, Superintendent of Tax and Excise and Narcotics is directed to initiate disciplinary proceedings against officials found without uniform during the sealing duty. He is also directed to train the personnel to strictly follow the SOPs of conducting field duties as per official norms of the department. This is a
So you want to operate?
Yes, my lord.
Run
Yes, my lord.
all over.
Lordship, these as per Rule 28 of the rules framed under this Act, the license has been granted to me. Rule 28 is given for the premise. It is not restricted to.
Premise doesn't mean that you will be allowed to run each and every corner.
Lordship, it is not designated as such, Lordship. It is not that it is outside or it is outside the building. It is not like that. It's the same premise, Lordship. It's only the ground floor and the rooftop. And here it is also mentioned, wrongly mentioned, in fact, Cozy Rooftop Restaurant. The restaurant is not part of the bar. It is different from the, although it is on the same floor, it is not part of the bar. It is run by a different person. The Lordship will find that license that has been given to me that I have annexed in Annexure 1. In the license itself, the premise has been mentioned as being the Lordship. License starts at page 23, relevant portion is at page 24. This is the license, number, location, and description of premise. It is their own license which has been given. The Lordship will say it is under Rule 28.
Consumption of the bread for sale by retail Indian so and so near tourist lodge complex area. But it may not be. Suppose if it says the premises in all the premises you can sell and operate.
Yes.
It has to be one place only. Suppose within the premises,
yes,
you have to do it, operate it in a particular designated place.
Lordship, that is why I'm referring to Rule 28, Lordship.
Where is Rule 28?
Rule 28, my lord.
Let's see.
Lordship will see there is a difference between Rule 28, Rule 28A, and Rule 28 A subclause B. This is why I'm saying, Lordship. Your Lordship has seen the
Presumption on vendors' premise shall only be granted in place where there is a proof demand on the part of class of tankers. In large industrial centers or in towns where there is a population, especially customary drink on sell in the hotel or restaurant. Hotel.
Lordship has seen my license. It is given under Rule 28, not under Rule 28A or Rule 28A subclause A or subclause B, Lordship.
But it doesn't mean that you will be allowed to operate all over any corners of the premises.
Lordship, if that is the thing, then the license should have been given under Rule 28A or Rule 28 subclause A, and subclause B. Any of this, Lordship. And it is not operated by two different persons, Lordship. It is by one person, Lordship.
Demand on the part of a class of drinkers accustomed to the following large industrial centers or in town 20 is a population especially accustomed.
The issue that they have is not just the premise. The issue that they have is they think that there are two bars operating. In fact, it is not two bars. It is one bar, one person on a split level concept, Lordship.
One restaurant and one bar.
Restaurant is different, Lordship.
You are operating in the restaurant and the bar.
No, Lordship. Restaurant is a different thing, Lordship. The restaurant has nothing to do with the bar.
Granted 28A.
Lordship, we will go by the license given to us, Lordship.
No, it cannot be.
There is one part of
28 is a general kind of thing.
Yes.
But if it is to be, if the license has to be issued for the bar,
yes,
in a hotel, it has to be 28A or 28B, something like that.
But it is a license that has been given to us, Lordship. But that is only one part of the submission. Another
of license.
Yes.
Beer bar.
Lordship. Another part of the submission is on the authority of the ADC itself to pass this to Lordship.
Yes, let us see the authority. What is the provision?
Excise Commissioner has been mentioned in the Section 2 subclause I, Section 2 subclause 1I of the Arunachal Pradesh Excise Act.
Volume
6.
Volume 6. Page.
If it is the new one, it will be page 64.
64. Yes. Excise Act. Definition.
Yes. Definition of Excise Commission, because there are only three authorities who can yes.
Section 5. Administration of the
Lordship, before that, at page 65, D, collector, because the order has been purportedly passed as in charge district collector. 65, D, page 65, collector means the collector of the district and includes any officer appointed by the state government to exercise and perform all or any of the powers and function of the collector under this act. Then the Excise Commissioner, this may not be relevant because she seems to be exercising the powers as in charge district collector. Now then excise officer, Lordship. J. Excise officer means the collector or any person, any officer or other persons appointed or invested with the powers under section 5. Now section 5, Lordship may come to section 5. Section 5 says, the administration of the excise department and the collection of the excise revenue within a district shall be ordinarily under the charge of the collector. The state government may, for the whole of Arunachal Pradesh or any specified local area, appoint an officer of the government to be the excise commissioner who shall, to such control as the state government may direct from time to time, be in charge of the administration of the provisions of this Act and rules and met thereunder, including collection of excise revenue. B. Appoint any person to exercise all or any of the powers and to perform all or any of the duties conferred or imposed on a collector or by or under this Act, either concurrently or in subordination to or in exclusion of the collector and subject to the such control as the state government may direct. C. Appoint any other officers of the excise department to perform such powers and duties of the excise officer as the state government may think fit. Then D may not be relevant. E. Order that all or any of the powers of the duties assigned by or under this Act to any officer appointed under clause C of this subsection may be exercised and performed by any servant of the government or any other person. Then, Lordship, the delegation part may be important, page 70. Before this, may I like to point out that the excise commissioner and the excise commissioner and the collector can delegate functions, but this has to be by a notification. May I like to point out that this in section 70, subclause H, there is a grammatical mistake because of which I was finding it very difficult to understand. Now I have understood after seeing the old Act. Lordship may see. H, permit the delegation by the excise commissioner of the collector to a
Section?
it is a part of section 5. Section 5, H, 2H. It is written, permit the delegation of by the excise commissioner of the collector to any person or classes of persons specified in such notification to any of the powers conferred or duties imposed by him or under this Act. It doesn't make any sense. That is why I have seen the old one. In the old publication, Lordship may see this at page 62.
Read it.
Yes. It is written, permit the delegation by the excise commissioner or the collector to any person or classes of persons specified in such notification of any powers conferred or duties imposed upon him by or under the Act. So here the delegation is possible, but it has to be by notification. Now the notification as part of this Act means a gazette notification. It is mentioned in the section. It is mentioned in page 67, Lordship, in the definition portion. Wherever notification is used, it means notification in the Arunachal Pradesh Gazette. So even if there is a delegation, there has to be by a notification, which to the best of my knowledge, there is no such notification.
Section 6 also provides appeal and revision.
Yes, Lordship. Section provides appeal and revision, but appeal is against the original order of the collector or this will be, Lordship will find in the rules, page 4 of the rules. Appeal shall lie to the collector from any order of an officer exercising any power or performing any duty under the Act in subordination to the collector An appeal shall lie to the Excise Commission from an original or appellate order made by the collector.
It's not an original order.
No, Lordship. It is, in my humble submission, it is a non-est order because it is passed without any jurisdiction, Lordship.
That if it is, if the ADC is authorized,
Lordship, ADC cannot be authorized because there is no notification, Lordship. That is what I'm saying, Lordship. Appeal can be from an excise officer. ADC is not an excise officer. There is no such notification. And if it is from a appeal to an excise commissioner, it will be from an original or appellate order made by the collector. Now she is neither the collector because there is no such notification. Simply saying in charge will not suffice, Lordship. She has to be appointed by the state government by a notification.
so this is proceeding is what? It's a quasi-judicial or what?
It is like a quasi-judicial. There is proceedings, some the consequence of which, some of which are penal in nature.
Yes.
Your Lordship, notice may be issued at this moment, Your Lordship.
Simply.
Yes, we need the instructions, Your Lordship. Yes, without instruction, Your Lordship.
See, Mr. This is basically a question of law. No instruction is required. Provisions are there.
Then, Your Lordship, as per section 6, there is a appeal.
Only you have to take instruction is whether
Whether there is a notification.
There is a notification.
Yeah.
Yes, Your Lordship.
appointing him or was there any delegation of
Yes.
other section?
Then, Your Lordship, yes, in that aspect, Your Lordship, I may be granted some time to take instructions, Your Lordship.
Lordship, since it is only for instructions, a short date may be given because now I cannot pay my staff because of the closure of the bar.
It's been closed.
Because they have
So
they have seized.
That
They have,
to operate sell liquors at the designated location limited.
they have seized many items, Lordship.
But then you have been allowed for ground floor.
Ground floor is always there, Lordship.
Want to earn,
There is
want to earn more.
people prefer the rooftop.
Passport there. You change it from ground floor to rooftop.
Lordship.
But just because I think prime facie is just because the license has been issued under Rule 28, you cannot be permitted to sell. I mean, in the premises. Suppose you have around.
They are.
You said 2,000 something square meter.
Yes.
I mean, nook and corner you cannot operate.
Yes.
That would not be.
Then the license.
The intention of the legislature, even if it's issued under Section 28, could not have been.
That may be one way to look at it. But another way is, Lordship, it is them who's granting the license.
Okay. I heard Ms. MS N. Dangetnan, counsel for the petitioner. Challenge made in this petition is to the order dated 16/07/2026 passed by the
Additional Deputy
Commissioner, come in charge District Collector, West Siang District, Alo. Whereby the inter alia, the petitioner, the officials of the what is it called? Excise department.
Yes.
Is it their excise department?
Yes, when the district collector is exercising powers in
whereby the superintendent of tax, excise and narcotics has been directed to seize IMFL/beer sealed at MS Koji Rooftop Restaurant Wine Store Room with proper seizure memo in the presence of the in proper seizure memo You are agreed by this only?
No, because now I'm not allowed to operate in the rooftop.
That's why.
Yes.
And also, and prohibiting the petitioner to operate the, what do we call, bar?
Yes.
Operate the bar oblique sell liquors in the rooftop restaurant.
Not restaurant, Lordship. Restaurant is different. They have mentioned it wrongly.
And in the said MS Koji rooftop restaurant wine store. No, MS Koji rooftop.
No, Lordship, that is their thing, Lordship. According to me, it is a part of Club Cozy, only Club Cozy.
And then in that case, in the rooftop list of next para, it is the case of the petitioner that since the license has been issued under Rule 12 of 28 of Arunachal Pradesh Excise Rules 1994, in the premises, the operating and selling of liquor oblique wine in the Koji Club cannot be.
Club Cozy
cannot be prohibited. Mr. It is further contended that the impute order that is 1607/2026 passed by the ADC come in charge district collector is known as, in view of the fact that the additional deputy commissioner is not empowered, is not appointed as the what do you call it? As official
excise officer or district collector.
Or district collector in terms of the what do you call it?
AP Excise Act.
Arunachal Pradesh AP Excise Act
1994.
93. Nor there is any delegation of power to the said ADC. Next para. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Next para, in as Mr. You are appearing for all.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Why still entrance appear next notice on behalf of all the respondents. No formal notice need this. However, extra copies. Next para. Having considered. Now then, if since you have issued notice, then what do you want?
Interim, Lordship, of
What
course.
is remote?
Lordship, that order may be stayed.
It cannot be, I think. In that case, we'll issue notice for 2 weeks.
Lordship.
You have not been completely prohibited.
Lordship, the area in the rooftop is better. So we have more customers there actually.
Request them to grant their license for roof.
Lordship, a short date may be given and order may be stayed, Lordship.
Then, no, we'll ask for the, suppose if we find
Yes.
that the ADC has been, the power has been delegated or appointed.
Yes.
Then
that is why I'm saying short date, Lordship.
Your petition may collapse.
1 week.
That's why 1 week can you obtain?
I will try, Your Lordship.
Then in that case, you say you will not issue notice.
Lordship.
Instructions, Your Lordship.
Notice you just delay. Having considered that the challenge made to the impute orders essentially is on essentially on the ground that the additional deputy commissioner come in charge district collector is not a competent authority to initiate proceedings and passed under the Arunachal Pradesh Act and Rules.
AP Excess Act.
Excess
Arunachal-
1993 and rules framed thereunder is no gazette notification in respect of either appointing the ADC as in charge as collector or delegation of power of collector, Mr. Vairira Leonard, State Council is directed to obtain instruction. Next para. List the matter on after 1 week on next Friday or Thursday. Next Friday.
Friday, Lordship.
Next Friday.
Hmm.
Just keep that on so and so.
7 August.
The interim prayer of the petition shall be considered on the next date, depending on the instruction that would be placed by the state respondents. Is that it? If
Yes.
there is no notification,
Yes.
we should find that may stay there.
Yes.
Oblige.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Item number 2.
Yes. What is the violation?
Lordship, the order was issued on 31/3/26 and the same has been received on 10/4/26.
Directing what?
Direction for the payment of the land compensation.
Okay. Heard Mr. T. Tathar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Petitioners.
Lordship,
This is an application under section 12 of the Contempt of Court Act 1971. Read with Article 215 of the Constitution of India and Rule 9 of the Contempt of Court within bracket Gauhati High Court Rules to 1971, alleging willful and deliberate disobedience and violation of order dated 31/03/2026 passed in WPC 327 AP of 2024. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Learned counsel for the petitioners to take steps for service of notice upon the alleged contempt upon sole respondent by registered post so and so.
deeply obliged.
Working days.
Item number 3.
My Lordship.
What is the procedure?
Lordship, procedure is to file a representation before
Under which law?
Lordship, Section 31 of Act 2016.
But it has to be, you have to get it corrected within certain period.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, I can correct it by two times only, Lordship. After exhaustion of 2 times, I cannot, Lordship. So my case need to be considered a special call.
Who has to consider?
Lordship, Deputy Director General, Original Office.
Director?
Yes, Deputy Director General, Original Office, Lordship.
Original office?
Yes, Lordship.
Who is appearing?
Your Lordship.
Instruction. It is two students.
Your Lordship.
Here, what's the big deal?
Yes, Lordship will obtain instruction.
Harassing the students.
Otherwise, Lordship may dispose the matter on this motion state also.
No, let them.
Because Lordship, I have come across one case, Lordship, whereby the applicant, the petitioners, are directed to appear before the competent authority, and simultaneously the competent authority is directed to consider the case of petitioners, Lordship. That can be, Lordship.
Your Lordship, as per the SGI instruction, there's no objection, Your Lordship.
For disposal?
Yes.
For disposal? For disposal?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where is that rule? Where it provides that you may?
Lordship,
No objections.
Lordship, Rule 31. 31, subclause, subrule 3, Lordship. Lordship, I have marked.
Alteration democratic information environment in any case. and
31.3, Lordship. I have already submitted my representation, Lordship.
Representatives and the authority may, if it is satisfied, is required in the report. This is what we are demographic information.
Yes, Lordship. Demographic, no, Lordship. Definition Rule 2 covers this demographic, my case, Lordship.
Demographic?
Demographic covers my case, the change of name, change of date of birth, and gender, Lordship.
Where it is?
Rule 2K, Lordship.
Act or rule? This is
Act.
Only 2K.
2K, Lordship.
Demographic includes information relating name, date of birth, address. Okay. What is the limitation period?
Lordship, there is no
something.
No, Lordship, limitation. Only 2 times I can correct
And you
by
have,
my own.
you have applied.
Yes, Lordship. All those.
This is your first time.
No, Lordship. I have exhausted all.
Huh?
Exhausted the limitation, Lordship.
Then.
No, Lordship. After exhausting all this, all 2 times, I need to approach the regional office. Even if in that case, even if my case is not considered.
Where is that? You have exhausted the 31.
No, Lordship, I have filed representation after exhausting that 2.
Where you are, under which provision you have exhausted? Section 31.
No, yes, Lordship.
Then, where is the requirement of filing application?
Lordship, here in the case, Lordship, there are 3 types of limitation, Lordship. Now, if I need to change the name, then I have only 1 chance, Lordship. And again, if I need to change the date of birth, I have a 2 chance, Lordship. All those.
Where it is?
Lordship, it is rule. It is Regulation 26, Lordship. Rule 10 of 10 subclause 3 of Regulation 22, Lordship.
Where is the regulation?
Lordship, in fact, I'm not.
Then?
Lordship. In my case, Lordship.
See, what is your case?
Lordship, I have applied for correction.
To whom?
To
under section 31.
Yes, Lordship.
Then
that is not considered, Lordship. Now, Lordship, by way of filing representation, I have applied. Lordship. But that is not considered. That representation is pending before the authority, Lordship. So as
what is this? This is regulation?
Yes, Lordship. This is Act, Lordship. No, Lordship, that is case, that although this is not bind upon this honorable court, Lordship.
There is a provision under section 31.
Yes, Lordship.
You can apply for, you can request for change.
Yes, Lordship, that has been exhausted, Lordship.
Where?
Under this section 31 only, I have filed my representation, Lordship. That representation is pending, Lordship.
Then why you are saying that you have exhausted that?
No, Lordship, that is not considered, Lordship, till long time, Lordship. So my humble, respectful prayer before this honorable court is to direct the respondent to consider.
Let's come to the facts first.
Yes, Lordship.
You are saying that you have exhausted the time.
Yes, Lord.
Where's the provision for first filing a request? Is it section 31 and somewhere else?
Section 31, Lordship.
Then?
But that.
Where's the, suppose if you have exhausted the remedy?
Yes, Lordship.
Or the requirement to request, then under what provision you can file a representation?
No, Lordship, under this provision only, I have filed the representation. Lordship, that representation is not considered, Lordship.
Before
So-
that, what
so-
you have, before that, what you have done?
Before that, Lordship, I have tried to correct by myself by filing online form, Lordship. But that is not done. So it is not considered, Lordship. So after exhausting all those things, I have come with this.
Where is the provision for get it corrected on online?
Lordship,
by yourself?
that is not specific in this act, Lordship.
Then?
Now by 31, only I can make a request, Lordship, by filing representation.
Then why you are saying that you have exhausted? Where's your representation? Where is your representation?
Lordship, at page number 64, Lordship, 64 onward.
Chief Secretary.
Yes, Lordship. And
Chief
all,
Secretary has to correct it.
no, all the respondent, again, and 67 is the right person to correct.
What is the age of this students?
Lordship,
Who are the petitioners?
petitioners is 19, Lordship. First, petitioner number 1 is 19 years, 2 is 21, 3 is 18 years, 4 is 18, 5 is 18, 6 is 23, 7 is 15.
All are major.
Yes, 7 is not major, is represented by his father. 7 and 13 are represented.
Okay. Third, Mr. R. Ingo, learn counsel for the petitioners. And also have.
Three matter, Your Lordship.
Which one?
Your
Respondent number 1 is
respondent number
Mr.
one.
T.
Meto, Your Lordship.
Meto.
Appearing on behalf of learned DSGI, Mr. M. Kato.
Can we dispose it of, directing you to consider it?
Your Honor, for that will take instruction here.
What instruction you said?
From the DSGI.
Huh?
From the DSGI.
Where is
And will come back.
DSGI?
Your Honor, appearing on court number 5 here.
We'll record his name. M. Kato, learned DSGI. For respondent number 1.
2, 3.
Not 2.
2 is
Oh.
3, 4.
1, 3.
3, 4. 3 and 4. Huh? And Mr. As well as MSG at the London additional senior government network for respondent number 2. By filing this writ petition, the petitioners have prayed for it. No, the petitioners are seeking correction of their date of births in the, what do you call? Other cards. As per the birth certificate and CBSE public school certificates as the on the ground that the date of births of the petitioners are wrongly recorded in the other cards list of. We'll dispose it of. Dispose of, huh? We'll direct them to consider and dispose of your representation only.
Directed to consider. Directed to consider the correction.
Then why? How they'll consider?
Lordship,
your prayer is only for disposal of the representation.
Yes, although Lordship, this case is not will not be binding upon this honorable court, but Lordship, in this case, Lordship, the petitioners were directed.
Say that. Then we'll say that you'll appear.
Yes, personal appearance is necessary, Lordship,
Who is
to get the fingerprints.
Respondent number. Who is the authority?
Respondent number 3, Lord.
Chief Executive Officer.
No, respondent number 4. That is regional office
director.
Yes.
Guwahati.
Yes.
Okay. We'll direct the respondent number 4. They will then in that case we'll direct the petitioners to appear before, within
1 month, Lordship.
Within 1 month before the respondent number 4.
Yes.
With all the
relevant
necessary documents.
Yes, Lordship.
Thereafter.
And this respondent number 4 to consider.
After hearing the petitioners,
yes,
and verify the documents of the petitioners to decide after within 3 months, 1 month. 1 month thereafter.
Yes. Deployable.
Item number 4.
May I please, Lord? My Lord, in this case, my Lord, petitioner is seeking a review of his dismissal from the service, my Lord.
On the ground of
yes, my Lord.
Acquittal.
Yes, my Lord. Acquittal from the all charges as well. By the special judge, Pasigat, my Lord.
Legal aid counsel.
Yes, ma'am.
Heard Mr. H. Lampu, London Legal Aid Counsel for the petitioner. By filing this writ petition, the petitioner seeks for reinstatement.
Yes, ma'am.
In the service, age what? Constable?
Constable, my Lord.
As constable in the Arunachal Pradesh Police, on the ground that on being
Acquittal by the
on being acquittal by the district
and session judge come special judge NDP.
Where is this?
Well, page 52, my Lord.
52. 52. By district and session judge by an order dated 30/04/2025 in Pasigat Sessions case PHG SC within bracket NDPS case number 14 of 2024 under section arising out of Pasigat PS case number 80 of 2021 under section 21 within bracket B bracket close oblique 27 NDPS Act. List of the basis of, no, the dismissal.
Dismissal from service.
The department, the genesis of initiation of departmental proceedings is to the registration of Pasigat PS case number 80 of 2021 under section 21/27 NDPS, consequent to which the petitioner was dismissed from service. List of the district and session judge, East Siang District, Pasigat, having by an order dated 13/04/2025, having found no materials against the petitioner, has acquitted him from all charges. List of next issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. As Mr. Arisnabam Lanet, Additional Advocate General, enters April, accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. No formal notice need be served, however, except copies furnished to the Land Council for the. And you are Constable IRBN?
IRBN.
Arunachal Pradesh Police. IRBN is also a part of Arunachal Pradesh Police.
It's come as a
Yes,
same.
Arunachal Pradesh. But mere, I mean, just acquittal would not be a ground for reinstatement.
But my lord,
There could not be any automatic restatement, my lord.
my lord knows, my lord, there is some settled law, my lord. If my lord,
same set of
judges, my lord. Yes, my lord. Yes.
Okay,
that's only the case with this.
Let's see.
Yeah. Requisite copy data, no? Obliged.
Item number 5.
Wait.
Yes.
5 manner, we seek some more time to file our.
What?
This is land compensation matter. The BRTO has said that this is only, there was no acquisition. But my instructions are that it is only for this chain they are saying this. Other chains there has been compensation. So that information, if I can file, then I have a case. Otherwise, I will have to withdraw.
Yes. Otherwise, if it is only for
Yes, yes. Otherwise, I will have to
you have
withdraw.
to approach the civil
Yes.
law. With this one.
Yes, yes, yes. I have instructed them. If you can't get the information to me, we will have to.
Mere damage.
Yes.
Not,
And I have understood.
Yes. Although matter is pending since 2019, Mr. Deepang Ingland, Senior Counsel for the petitioner, submits that he may be granted some time to obtain instruction as to whether the land of the petitioner has been acquired, or is it, or the claim of the petitioner is for damages of their private land without there being any acquisition of the land. Consider the submission of land, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Let it be 4 weeks. In the meantime, if they can get it very well, otherwise I will have to.
4 weeks, huh? You have filed the affidavit?
Yes, yes.
Saying that that has not been acquired?
Yes.
Mr. K. Lawyer, London CGC and MS GF, the London Additional Senior Government Advocates. Senior Government Advocate for the state are present.
Item number 9.
Yes.
The respondents are yet to file affidavit, Your Worship.
50,000 square meters.
Yes.
They are still under
Yes.
occupation.
Yes.
Out of 50,000, 5,001 square meter has been acquired by the Frontier Highway. Your Lordship.
So you Frontier Highway.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So now
So now our claim is to whether to acquire the land by proper procedure or to vacate the place.
Your Lordship will file affidavit of opposition for that we need 3 weeks time.
2024 still you have not filed. Have you filed the offer?
Yes.
What is your stand? What is your stand?
Regarding your lordship, 50,000 square meter lordship, we have already referred the matter to reference court, your lordship.
Reference court?
Yes, your lordship. Sorry, your lordship, with regards to 5,000 square meter, your lordship.
$5,000, so it's not an issue here. It has been referred to reference.
Yes, your lordship. And
reference
regarding
court.
your lordship, 50,000, your lordship, as per our affidavit, your lordship, due to no land records pertaining to the petitioner's father, your lordship.
Anyway, heard Mr. M. Tasulan, counsel for the petitioner. Mr. And the estate has filed the affidavit in opposition. Still responding. Huh? However, no affidavit is filed on behalf of the Union of India. As spread for a last chance is granted to the Union of India. Responding Union of India to file the affidavit.
Yeah.
This matter after 4 weeks.
Item number 11.
The petitioner. Have you filed the affidavit?
Your Lordship, I think this matter will become infructuous, Your Lordship. The petitioner, Your Lordship, never present, Your Lordship, in earlier also, Your Lordship.
Hmm. (2020). Okay. Now it appears for the petitioner on call. MS P. Pangul, London State Council is present. Since next paragraph, the petitioners have failed to have not taken steps for service of notice upon respondent number 2217 since 2000. And since filing of this petition. Next para. It is noticed that the matters pertains to disqualification Summoning the petitioners for disqualification proceedings under the provisions of Arunachal Pradesh local authorities provision of eviction within bracket Act 2003 from being members of the Panchayat being a member of Gram Panchayat under 9th Gusar Jila Parishad constituency. List of the petitioners were the elected Panchayat members of Gram Panchayat members of Gram Panchayat members in the election held in 2020.
2020.
List of the list of thereafter the next election for Gram Panchayat, the next Panchayat election has already been concluded in the year 2025. 2025, next election,
Next election,
2025.
yes, Your Lordship, 2025.
Yes, Panchayat election was 2025. Arunachal, yeah, last election. Yes.
Yes, yes.
2025.
2025. In view of above,
2025.
the writ petition has become in process. Accordingly, same is still dismissed as in process.
Abba, next, Your Lordship.
Item number 13.
Lordship, the counsel for the item number 13 to 16 is stuck in the traffic. He prayed that the matter may be Passover.
Passover.
Your Lordship.
But in any case, what is to be done? It is listed for orders.
Yes.
Huh? An affidavit has been filed.
Yes, no.
Yes, we have filed that corresponding number 2.
I have not filed, sir.
You are for?
Standing Council of State Information Commissioner.
This is challenge. Challenge is what?
Challenging for
Order of the state.
order of
Huh?
State Information Commission. Order of State Information Commission.
All in all cases.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay. Record Mr. T. Tata Learned Council appears for appearing for Mr. J.
Lordship.
Learned Council for the petitioner is present. State has filed their state respondent has filed their affidavit of opposition. Mr. As prayed for by Mr.
B. Poyam.
B. Poem, Land Standing Council, Arunachal Pradesh
State Information Commission.
State Information Commission is phrase for and is granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit in.
Lordship, if possible, the kindly give more time because here a complicated cases here.
What
That's why.
complicated?
Yeah. This is a
4
complicated
weeks.
for me.
4 weeks.
Okay.
Most of like.
We'll sort it out the complicated. Application. Same order.
It's all on the same.
13, 14,
16,
15,
16.
and 16. Yes.
Item number 17 and 18.
Why this matter is listed? It's a wrong interpretation of the notification.
Appears so.
Yes. Who has listed this? This is all part hard tied up, assign and assign matters. Or the review petition or modification of the order. This is vacation or basically for vacation. Who is the in charge? Again, call him. Call her. Who is this?
Yes, motion.
Who has listed this?
They are being listed.
Huh?
They are being listed by the concern of the deputy registrar. So we have to call the.
Who is deputy register?
There are two deputy registrar, Madam and Captain Talum.
Hmm.
Captain Talum should have called Captain Talum. We should have called both.
I called them yesterday. I don't draw pleasure calling them every day. No.
Looks like the counsel for the other side is not good.
Huh?
Can this matter be taken up on Monday?
Yes, this is, they have wrongly interpreted this notification. You see, just because the word is mentioned modification, they have listed before this court. You just suggest also.
May take it. I have no problem.
Huh?
Lordship may take it. But since the other side is also not there, I need to pick it up on.
No, they think that this order was passed by this court.
Hmm.
Therefore, in view of this order, this has been listed. There is no bar action. Isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Mr. Pangi, kindly go through this. It should be listed before. Should be listed before the bench. The court number 5. They have misinterpreted. I mean, the registry.
Okay. Monday को भी एक सेकेंड आज मंदी क्या था मंदी तेरी को यूपीआई नहीं जाने ना कार्तिन हाँ अंजलि
Hard tied up and disposed matter in fact actually. I mean, if there is any modification to the order or correction of the order, then only it will be listed.
Yes.
It appears that the registry has misinterpreted the notification number 87, that is 24/07/2023, and listed these matters before this bench. In view of above, let these matters be listed before the appropriate bench on Monday. On 3/03/08/2026.
The interim order passed.
Interim order passed earlier, still continue.
Yes.
And let it be in the admission, Lordship, since pleading.
No, that basically it's I is listed, therefore this is in the order. You may argue on that day for dispute. Yes.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 19.
Take this, send this file to my chamber and call whoever is there again.
Sure.
Yes.
That matter your lordship will recall. The manner in which the RTI documents have been furnished to the parties. I am not under, still is a case for an inquiry. But since your lordship wants to hear the matter on matter, I will make an attempt to persuade your lordship that the repetition be allowed. Otherwise, my lord, I would have been my lord. I have been advised on everything. And there are some records. I don't know this whether these are available here or not.
That option is also open.
Yes.
Open subject to
Yes.
The
Because lots of things will be clear.
view of the court after hearing you. That is still open.
The lordship will kindly have the advertisement at page 22.
22. The facts though I have gone through.
Yes.
No issue.
But I want to place the sequence in which these things have happened. To make an attempt. But initially, when the incumbent deputy commissioner under whose aegis this selection process was conducted, they made an attempt not to furnish documents. So this is advertised.
But ultimately you have been furnished.
Yes.
For the third time.
I was ultimately furnished when the deputy commissioner was transferred in that case. But in that case, with the deputy commissioner, when the deputy commissioner under whose aegis the selection process was conducted, while he was there was an attempt not to furnish relevant information to me, which I was entitled to.
Okay.
My answer sheets. Even that was not furnished. How can they? So, facts your lordship is aware. Then, after the results were declared and private respondents was appointed, page 31, lordship will kindly see.
Page 31.
Yes. This is addressed to my husband. After I filed the application for information, please find here with the documents sought by you regarding recruitment of UBC, LDC, and MTs under the district administration, Siang district.
Page
31.
31 is something different. What is this?
Repetition.
Annexure 6.
No, 7.
This is something.
Yeah, I know. Page 31.
Same.
32.
Page 32. 7 February. 7 February. Page 32.
It appears
Something wrong.
Your lordship's page is 32.
Okay. 31 is Annexure 6. 32 is Annexure 7.
Mine is 31.
31 is appointment order.
No.
2nd December 2026 here. And 32 is Annexure 7 series.
It appears my
Furnishing of information. 7 February 2017.
Yes, mine is 32.
Okay.
Oh, mine is 31.
Okay.
Please find here with the documents sought by you regarding recruitment of UDC, LDC, and MTS. And
You may correct it 32. Because this will again, you'll have to refer the other case.
Can this be then taken up tomorrow, but I will correct it from your lordship.
Tomorrow, Friday. I'm leaving on Sunday or Sunday.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean it because what happened is this went on appeal and all. So most probably where I furnished this and all, most probably it was.
Let us do one thing. We'll hear you definitely. We'll fix it tomorrow. Parties submit your written submission, short submission.
That also will.
That would be better,
Yes.
isn't it?
Yes.
At least convenient for this court. Today you just have some take some pain. Well, simply as prayed for by the parties and as agreed to by the parties. Let this matter be listed for hearing tomorrow, i.e. 31. You just have the sorted convenient for me.
If my lordship sees my additional affidavit, it's very beautifully written, lordship. Everything.
Additional affidavit.
Yes.
But you just from
Mark 11 to highlight.
beginning to, I mean, end, you just have a shorter kind of this thing. Brief. In brief. We'll take it up tomorrow. Anyway. Or may not be disposed of the matter tomorrow.
Item number 20 and 21.
2021.
20 and 21.
It was almost completed the last.
Yes. Why this has been adjourned today? Okay. Where is the additional affidavit? Yeah, this in writ petition. WPC 50. Yes.
221. This is on recommendation of Department Promotion Committee, Carbon Carbon. It's hereby appointed on promotion to the post of administrative officers. In the pay scale, we also mark this 44,900 to 81,200. And appointed on superintendent is the bigger post for promotion to the administrative officer. Who are the prisoners. So now the superintendent is a feeder post. Now, in the next page, now the feeder post 2 superintendent is assistant. The following assistant of the public health in the department thereby appointed on promotion to the post of superintendent in the same pay scale. Superintendent also is the same pay scale. In the feeder there are administrative officer and the administrative officer, despite being the promotional post, has the same scale. How is this permissible? Even FR 22 you also will see.
So here WPC 50 is the administrative one and 49?
49 is superintendent. I will argue a bit different.
Okay.
Here the case is very simple, madam. The feeder cadre and the promotional cadre.
Higher post.
Scale of
Promoted post.
And I also get less than the section officers of the civil secretariat who are analogous to the post of superintendent of the Director General Department. Your Lordship will resolve the order by which our claim was rejected. Your Lordship will kindly have that again. The Honorable High Court made an observation. That it will be said. That booking starts at 116, 117 megaloop. Does not even reflect, my lord, as regard to the administrative.
117.
107. I will read this when I'm going to argue as well. As far as the administrative officer is concerned, there is no mention here. They only look at the variety of trade between the section officer and the superintendent. Administrative officers, nothing. So no reasons here. On that count itself,
so that means there is no consideration at all.
no consideration.
So far as these writ petitioners are concerned.
They never took into account that the feeder header and the promotional header are getting same scale.
Okay.
But the people also kindly have for there's
Effort.
can't do that. I am not saying give me under security, but find out what is the equivalent. Then it will also. It is the government duty, not mine. Find out what I am entitled to and give me that.
Just wait. What is that? The earlier judgment or order?
So, see, my kindly have this 130, this is some other there. Just I don't know why they're trying together. Possibly because the section officers were getting higher scale of pay. Constantly resolution 50. But also consider that the section officers were equivalent to the leader cadre, superintendent, is getting higher pay than mission law.
Section officers?
For civil secretary. Equivalent to
Superintendent.
the higher scale of.
Then the administrative officer. Whereas in the directorate, both the administrative officers and the superintendent are getting the same.
Pointed out on last occasion, but they are getting out.
Just wait. FR 52. 22. It's okay, I've seen it.
1A1.
One A1.
Where the government servant holding a post other than a genuine post in a substantive or temporary official capacity is promoted or appointed as a substantive temporary official capacity at the condition that prescribed in the relevant rules. To another post carrying duties and responsibilities of greater importance than those that have been proposed by it. Its initial pay in the time scale of the higher post will be fixed. If the stage next above the nominal pay arrived at by increasing his pay in the respect of the lower post held by him regularly by increment at the stage of which pay has accrued or rupees transactions whichever is more. In any case, I just cannot have the same scale of pay as a middle.
This much?
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
Now, so what I am getting now,
Hmm.
after the seventh pay commission is 44,900
Hmm.
at level 7.
Yes.
Section of this is equivalent to the superintendent. 44,900. You can find mention the paragraphs.
Hmm.
Equivalent to superintendent, the figure tailored in the departments and directorates. Section officer. Section officers are getting 47,600 at level 8.
Secretariat. There's no section officer in the directorate.
Yes. Therefore, superintendent and directors.
How much they are getting? 40?
7,600 at level 8, which increases to 53,100 at level 9 after 4 years.
Yes.
Then whenever this is
53, 100.
level 9 after 4 years.
Hmm.
This is in consonance with this order at page 78.
Hmm.
So before the 7th pay commission,
Hmm.
Dr. Coming, it is like this one.
Hmm.
The lordship period you also will see. In 2010,
Hmm.
their pay was increased to 75, 7,000,
Hmm.
8,000, 13,500 on August 4.
Hmm.
It's being similarly followed.
78.
Yes, sir. The pay was 10 years again, just now.
Hmm. Duties and responsibilities are same.
It just said this, you lordship has seen the order.
Hmm.
The only thing they have said, there is a level section officer superintendent.
Hmm.
They work in the secretary.
Hmm.
Higher decision.
Yes, yes.
It is in consonance with this.
Highest level of government establishment hierarchy. Hmm.
How did they discriminate like this matter? The old man.
Okay.
So this is this consonant matter. This is why I'm also this kind of. It's an officer matter.
Hmm. Choba. 50 over.
I'm not saying that you should give me under secretary.
Hmm.
Find out what I'm entitled to. Give me that. I have made a mention that from section officer they go to under secretary.
Hmm.
I'm not claiming that.
Hmm.
If I am analogous to under secretary, then you have to give me. If I am not doing something,
Hmm.
whatever I do, this is the higher than the section officer and the superintendent.
Hmm. You continue with the section superintendent.
It's almost same, my lord. Let him finish that also. my lord.
Then my lord, it's from here on.
Hmm.
From this.
Hmm.
The only thing I will add is, initially, they were regulated by the same rules.
Hmm.
Consider C.
Hmm.
That is the 82 rules.
Hmm.
All of them.
Hmm.
All of them were on the section officers.
Hmm.
Page 39. No, superintendents.
Hmm.
Same scale of pay.
Page.
Page 39. So then I wrote the other paragraph.
Ah. Which one? This 50? 49. Yes, I'm on 49. I'm in 59. 49, sorry. Yes. Page. Your prayer is 57, affidavit is 58. Recruitment rule, 82,
Yes.
page 60.
Yes.
Ah.
Here, this recruitment rule was for all. All the superintendents of the director as well as the secretary, meaning thereby they were regulated by a same recruitment rule. If they can show, I stop here and submit the very, if they can show, if there is the same recruitment rule for all, at that point of time, here's after 1989, the work of the secretariat and the directorate, what is it?
They have a separate rule in 1989 for secretariat.
It is not their case that because they found that from 1989, the ministerial staff of the secretariat and the directorates or the department, they have different
duties and responsibilities.
It is not because of that. There is no whisper of that. It is for convenience it was done.
Okay.
So what I am submitting is this so, the 82 rules so, that they carried out similar work and function. You cannot change thereafter. So 89 they changed it from page 68 onwards. Thereafter, my lord, in 98 they enhanced the pay at page 78 of the section officer only of the civil secretariat. Here, my lord, by this order in 98, they changed the nomenclature before it was superintendent office. 90. Page 78.
Page 78 from superintendent to section officer.
Only nomenclature. They are not saying because they are performing some different duties. This has changed.
Superintendent to section officer.
The further the government of Andhra Pradesh is also pleased to order redesignation, nothing else. Now your lordship will kindly have page 82.
Yes.
In 28 of August 2002, in partial modification of void number successor, that successor is the Department of Finance, government of Andhra Pradesh Canada in connection with enhancement of pay in respect of Minister and employee from UDC of the Director District Administration Officer at par with those of Secretary. As part of recommendation of Cabinet Subcommittee, Department of Finance after careful examination of the actual financial investor is complete, order that each head of officers there arrange to go in disperse same pay allowances that are admissible to the staff members serving under the control and the head of the enhanced rate with the performance of the officer. This decision of the Cabinet Subcommittee has never been followed. It continues to be important. It continues to be important. Despite that, remember the ministry being paid.
So ministry employs either in the secretariat or all the directorate.
Yes.
Okay.
This continues like that. The page 78 order and transport earlier, from there it started again. They were enhanced.
At par with the secretariat.
Yes. This decision was never overturned. Because the recommendation of the Cabinet Subcommittee. from 2002 to 2010, madam, is continued. From the document at page 88, the disparity has error. And it is further really made clear that the above enhanced scale of payment will be rolled back if and when the rolled back decision of the government has to carry out court availability and then on payment is upheld by order of court when the matter will be very subsidized. This I am not aware of.
Page?
Only in the last part, regarding law.
The above balance scale of pay will be rolled back if and when they roll back. Okay.
But ultimately, there was no decision of the government.
To roll back.
Yes. It's only because of this that this spirit has arrived at page 88. That's the type of issue.
Page 88.
88. In pursuance of close to a paragraph, the website in the finance government of India, with the interest of the federal finance department government of India, in efficiency following we have only the efficiency officers 6,500 to 10,500 and hence to 7,500 to 12,000. Then on 4 years, after 4 years, 8,000 to 13,000. Ours remain as 6,500 to 10,000.
This was 7,500.
Yes. And after 4 years, what is it?
Resume it too. Yes, page 88.
At this order, you will have either getting after the system of subcommittee. Now, in terms of this order, the scale of pay of the section officers, you are under the civil scale. It is not because the government of Andhra Pradesh has rolled back the earlier decision, nothing like that, just unilaterally, only the secretary services, second officer doing it. Nothing else.
The 6,500 were to same
No, that was too much.
for superintendent with the as that of directorate.
Yes. Ultimately,
Then
the reputation was high. Then the order was just to be protected. The reason there. They are very good. So that's the nature of work of the ministry is not the director district. What is the difference? Civil secretary staff work at the highest level of government, that they can hire. They need the output. They are not saying they are performing different works. Director, minister, staffs are transferable. That what it does. We are to take for equal work. Recruitment rules and secretarial are different. They are not saying that the additional qualifications and the skill levels are different. Only the recruitment rules are different. In fact,
But education, qualification, everything is same.
More of recruitment prior to most people were required between the Ministry of Staff of Arunachal Pradesh. Now, in fact, the APSSB matter is conducting the recruitment process for all.
How is it different? Mode of recruitment?
No matter, there's no different matter.
Why they saying mode of recruitment prior to the constitution of selection board was different between ministers?
Because in the application, they have shown nothing.
Ministerial staff of the director will recruit at different director level. Ministerial staff of directorate were recruited at different level in district ministry where they were recruited by the
Superintendent as well as the section officer. They are bill of
So second sentence has got no meaning, has no relevancy.
Yes.
Ministerial staff director were recruited at different directorate level, and the district ministerial cadre were recruited by concerned district head of office.
They're not even talking about section officer and superintendent at this stage, at paragraph 4. Because they are promotional posts.
LDC, UDC, assistant superintendent, admin.
They have only renamed them, the junior section of junior, yes, I don't know what assistant.
Junior secretariat assistant.
Secretary assistant. Junior secretary assistant UDC is assistant secretary officer and section officer. They renamed all of them.
Assistant section officer is assistant,
Yes.
equivalent to assistant. Yes, sir, and deputy secretary.
Yes.
Assistant director.
From the above is clearly inferred the post of ministerial staff and the officer working under director are not similarly situated. There is absolutely no indication in the order as to what is the different type of work that the section officer and the superintendent perform. It is not there in the academy also. Ask myself, what would be the difference between a section officer of the secretariat and the director? Another department. These are persons who put up the files and give notes. Nature of different mode of recruitment, and the different from the revenue There's nothing here there.
What is this? Page 123.
This is we have NFA, doesn't partner is one of the course. Similar order. But I know different. So even from the minutes of the case, facts of the case, it is clearly interpreted the disparity in pay. You will also get their epidemic now. Attendance of this court matter. And section of the 6. First and foremost, there is no dispute about that. That section of the one of the civil and correspondent to the post superintendent.
Makes a difference. Different.
Yes. So I have a question that. On the basis of the results given in the. In the humble solution, there is absolutely no reason except for just saying that they work in a higher level of government. That is not fair. We have annexed the charter of duties of section officers in our activity reply. Nothing has been got on record to show that the charter of duties of the section officers of the Honorable Civil Secretary are different to those of the directors and other departments. So my personal understanding would be, supposing a department of agriculture, if some proposal goes, the proposal comes from the director. Most probably they work harder. So in the affidavit, what I'm going to rely on the judgment that's in the affidavit director. Except for reproducing that at paragraph 11, there is nothing, no statement to the effect that the works are different. Statements are there, but there are nothing to show what is the difference.
Affidavit of 50. Saying what?
Because they have filed this same thing. This administrative officer, my claim is by having same pay as the figure tellers. That the affidavit is misconceived. That paragraph of page 125, paragraph 11. There is regard to the statement when in paragraph 11 of the recognition and response to statement is a matter of record and latest statement in paragraph 7. Of the affidavit. Further section officers are group B officers, other civil service group A officers. There is only cannot be drawn to a superintendent and administrative officer. There is no reason for bringing any doctor. Section of under secretary is a different recruitment group and work at the highest level of government, where they contribute towards policy decisions. Are they saying my the section officers are not contributing to policy decisions? Then the state is in a place. Policy decisions are being taken by the section officer. This is misconceived affidavit in both the cases.
They said they contribute towards policy decision.
How can they contribute to policy decision, madam?
Because it's
supposing as an example, madam, I am a clerk in this institution of your lordship, the High Court. Your lordship, maybe I don't know how does it work, but if I am a clerk as section officer, I put up whatever comes from the authority.
Put up itself is contribution.
So this is it, madam. There is nothing in the affidavit. There is absolutely nothing in the affidavit specifying what is the different nature of work.
It's you are seeking enhancement at par with them.
The only thing different in my humble understanding, they have the years of them because they work there. There's no
With the highest level of
so they have their eyes and ears.
To set their eyes and ears about the policy.
Then yeah, staff, because of the secretary, they can do and they have seen it in other cases also.
There's one more thing. Staffs and officers at Secretariat help to formulate policies and take many other administrative decisions. Whereas the staffs and other officers of director, district administration simply follow those policies and in case of confusion also, it is the staff and officer of second level who paragraph 14. However,
But this cannot be correct. This cannot be correct for a simple reason. There's no material, but it's a repetition matter. For any contention, whether by the respondent or the petitioner, any submission, any statements made has to be matter purchased by some document or evidence. I have judgments on that. You just can't make a statement like that. How is you say there particular policies? How? In what manner?
the same thing as the staffs and officers at Secretariat
Same thing. They said
help to formulate policies and take many other administrative decisions.
we have commander actually replied. This is an incorrect statement, right? Because any policy or whatever matter comes from the directorate. I am relying on matter only one judgment. Which is in the judgment of our Supreme Court. 1981-6618.
Where?
Paragraph would be from paragraph 5 to 9. This is between drivers of Delhi police and other drivers of government. Therefore, the main difference taken by the respondent is in the words of the opponent in the counter as follows. It is submitted that there can be no comparison between the different departments of government of India for the purpose of pay scale. The pay scale has been fixed upon consideration of various factors. The pay scales of drivers of Delhi police fixed after duly considering all the circumstances. The driver and other departments are not equally similarly situated as a petitioner, and there is no question of any hostile spirit. It is, however, denied that the drivers have been treated in separate class. It is also denied that the designation of driver is NP driver counter. The counter affidavit does not explain how the case of the drivers in the police force is different from the drivers in the department. That is my argument. The counter affidavit does not explain how the case of the drivers in the police force is different from the drivers in other departments and what special factors weigh in fixing a lower scale of pay for them. This is my argument. Apparently, in view of the respondents, the circumstance that persons belong to different departments of the government is itself a sufficient circumstance to justify different scales of pay. Irrespective of the identity of their power, duties, and responsibilities, we cannot accept this. If this view is to be stressed to illogical conclusion, the scales of pay of officers of the same rank in the government of India may vary from department to department, notwithstanding their power, duties, and responsibilities. We consider the calculation of post and calculation of pay are matters primarily for the duty government and expert bodies like the pay commission and not for the courts. But we must hasten to say that when all things are equal, that is, when all relevant considerations are the same, persons holding identical post may not take the differences in a matter of their being merely because they belong to different departments. Of course, the officers will say matter. This similar concern in power, duties and responsibilities of both held by them vary. Such officers may not be hard to complain of this similar being merely because the post are the same way. Now, my lord, I pose here, my lord. There has been no mechanism in the government of Arunachal Pradesh to come to a conclusion that there, when this pay enhancement were back to the section officer of the civil secretary, nothing was done. In fact, your lordship will kindly know 2002 to 2002 we were getting 10 pay scale in terms of the politicization of the government. Arbitrarily, only they were enhanced from 2010, nothing else. Our attention was drawn to Vinay Kumar Mukherjee was a billionaire of India and Makhan Singh was in India, a reference of Vinay conservation in the sport. In Kishore Mohanlal Bakshi was a university restaurant principal with your paper was an abstract doctrine which had nothing to do with agriculture. Which I presently point out how the principle of paper was not an abstract doctrine, but one principle of substance. Kishore Mohanlal Bakshi was a university of India, it's not itself of very real assistance to us. Means what are decided there was that it could be of different skills of paper, different grades of the service. It is well known that there can be, and there are different grades in the service with very qualifications for any particular grade. The higher grade often being promotional revenue for officer of the government. The higher qualification for higher grade, which means either the academic qualification or the experience based on length of service, will sustain the classification of officer in two very different scales of pay. The principle of equal pay for equal work would be a abstract doctrine, not that it will be totally applied to that. It is true that the principle of equal pay for equal work is not expressly declared by our constitution to be a fundamental right, but it is certainly a constitutional work. Article 39D of the Constitution proclaims equal pay for equal work for both men and women. As a directive principle established, equal pay for equal work for both men and women means equal pay for equal work for everyone, and that's between the sexes. Directive principles that we pointed out in some of the judgment of this court have to be there in the fundamental right in the matter of interfaith. Article 40 of the Constitution enjoins the state not to deny any person equally before the law or the equal protection of laws, and Article 16 declares that there is an equality of opportunity for all citizens and letters relating to public employment to any office under the state. These equality clauses of the Constitution must mean something to everyone. The vast majority of the people equality clauses of the Constitution will be nothing if they are unconcerned with the work they do and the pay they get. To bring to them, the equality clauses will have some substance with equal work and equal pay. Whether the special procedure prescribed by a statutes for time, as global backgrounds and scholar being for together when the particular governmental policy in the matter of grant of licenses or permits for unfettered skills and ability. Whether the takeover the empires of industrial tycoons arbitrary and unconstitutional and are versions of right nature leave the millions of people of this country untouched. Questions concerning wages and the like mundane they may be are yet matters of vital concern to them and it is there that equality clauses of the Constitution have been strictly applied. The preamble to the Constitution declares the solemn resolution of the people of India to constitute India into a sovereign socialist republic, democratic republic. Again, the word socialist must mean something, even if it does not mean to be according to me. It must at least mean equal pay for equal work. The principle of equal pay for equal work is expected to recognize all socialist systems of law. Example section 59 of the I'm skipping the cover. The Constitution of our office have been quoted. 9. There cannot be the slightest doubt the drivers in Delhi police perform the same functions and duties as other drivers in service village and development. If anything, the region of the restrictive to powers, functions, and privileges of a police officer, their duties and responsibilities are more arduous. The answer to the allegation in the police and the driver control of Delhi police perform no less arduous duties as drivers in other department because immediately responded in the job protector. Duties of the driver contribute to the Delhi police were on arrest. But there is a reason for giving them the lowest level of pay than others. There is none. The only answer to the respondent is that drivers of the Delhi police and other drivers belong to different departments and determined to work with the fortunate to we have shown that the answer is unsound, the clarification is irrational, there for allow the driver respondents. My lord has seen the reason. The reasons in the affidavit has sought to be further the bill. The reason is only they work in the higher echelons of government, nothing else. My lord knows the proposition of law. That or impugn order cannot be improved upon by a counter affidavit. So what they have sought to do in paragraph 14 has to be in consonance with the impugn order, where the only reason is that we work in different departments and they work in the higher echelons of government. That is my humble submission and unfair statement. But I think my rights are article. That's all. Administrative officers, my lord.
I will start with the first one, my lord. That is
50.
50, my identity officer. Asking my lord, economy under secretary. But before my lord conclude, the London Council for the position has said, my lord, they are not asking for economy under secretary. If you speak to that, then I will not much, my lord, and go on that term, my lord. Now, one thing,
Administrative officer.
yes,
What is the equivalent post in the secretariat?
my lord, there is no administrative officer in this. From section officer, the commission post is under C. And university again, my lord, as per the rule of education, government is represented, this is the answer. So, my lord, administrative officer cannot include with the undersecretary of the
They may not, but then we cannot allow him to have the pay scale of your Peter grade.
my lord.
That is what he said.
As per
He's not, no, just wait. He's not basically claiming parity with undersecretary. Simply for administrative officer, what he said is, how can they be allowed to have the pay scale with that equivalent with the superintendent, which is Peter grade?
yes, madam. My lord, something is wrong, my lord. I'll consider that, my lord. Why I'm saying, my lord, if that be the, my lord, the reason or that is the only, my lord, grievances, my lord, I know to argue with madam. Why, my lord, what happened, my lord, the recruitment rules, my lord. Unfortunately, my lord, no one pointed it out, my lord. Whether the committees or, my lord, maybe inadvertently, my lord, the air department overlooked. I had that rules. I believe that this thing will happen. These are the two rules, my lord. Even the petitioner, they could not put it out, my lord.
So superintendent, just for my understanding, superintendent of the superintendent has been re-designated as section officer. From section officer,
From section officer, the promotion
is undersecretary. In directorate, superintendent is still there.
yes.
Now, whether the section officer still has the higher pay scale than the superintendent,
Yes.
even after in 2002.
Yes.
By 2002, they have changed the nomenclature. 10.
Coming to that. Why might we have changed the designation, the nomenclature? Now, one is very clear. In civil secretary, my lord, there is no post for administrative officer. Now, when we compare, my lord, these two posts, administrative officer and the, my lord, under secretary. My lord, from the directorate, from superintendent to my administrative officer, there is a promotion of administrative officer is a group dedicated. Right, my lord? And in civil secretary, my lord, from section officer to promotion is my lord, under secretary. Now you also be aware, my lord, under secretary is a class of officer. in the entry grade of public service commission.
Hmm.
So there cannot be any equation between these two forms. Right, my lord? Now, when you see, my lord, admittedly, somewhere in 1982,
Hmm.
you know, should ever, my lord, we got in the, my lord, still only 87, my lord.
Hmm.
So during my lord, Union Territory time, my lord, where I use my lord, nation stage time, my lord,
Hmm.
they had a common recruitment.
Hmm.
Well, I'm not this.
Hmm.
The civil secretary and the my lord only direct.
Hmm.
Because the Union Territory plus lesson, my lord.
Hmm.
Plus developing statement. Now, my lord, subsequently, my lord, the civil secretary and directorates, my lord, they have a separate cadre.
Hmm.
They have separate recruitment rules. My lord, no one, my lord, challenged. Everybody was happy, my lord, whether the secretary side and the director side. And my lord, the lordship see 89 also, my lord. And let us, the lordship is running better now. 15, my lord.
Hmm.
As we relying the document arranged by the petition itself.
Hmm.
These are all a method of record, right? It's can be disputed. Page 39, Malak, that annex.
Hmm. Yes.
This is dated Malak 1982. This is the Malak common recruitment rule, Malak, for superintendent, non-graduated group C to the APS secretariat and other department.
Hmm.
Not disputed now. And you will see no time to come to next month. Page 47, Malak, that annex. Lecture 2, Malak.
Hmm.
Now from 1989, the things are changed.
Hmm.
Now this is the same mallet post that is non-registered group chief needs to post mallet.
Hmm.
The lordship says mallet Arunachal Pradesh Secretary Subordinate Service Rule 1989.
Hmm.
Right, mallet? The lordship may kindly come to page 48 mallet.
Hmm.
Mallet Kadar mallet. Any lordship document?
Hmm.
Kadar. Superintendent, assistant, upper division clerk, lower division clerk.
Hmm.
Which is lordship says mallet. This is only mean for civil secretary. Here, malak, other department are excluded, malak. You also noted, malak?
This is for superintendent.
Yes, malak.
Hmm.
Not only for superintendent, malak. All the malak, group C post, malak. Right from malak, lower division, upper division, assistant, and superintendent.
Ah.
And this is only mean for civil secretary.
Hmm.
In 82, you must have seen, malak, civil secretary and other department.
Hmm.
And here is the difference.
Hmm.
89 is only made for civil secretary.
Hmm.
Right, my lord? This one no one challenge, madam.
Hmm.
Then you will also may kindly see, madam. Page 44, madam. So this should be 49, madam. Composition as given, madam. In generally, my lord, directorate, the concerned secretary of the directorate is the chairman. But here it is not see the composition. Is the secretary general administration will be chairman.
Hmm.
So this is clear cut indicates Malay. This is exclusively only meant for the civil secretary, not for director. The page are given, madam. Page 54, madam.
Pay scale.
Pay scale is given, madam.
Hmm.
The pay scale of 1989. The superintendent is madam pay scale 1640, 26, and 29.
Hmm.
So given.
Hmm.
This is only for the civil secretary.
Hmm.
Then my lord, here comes my lord maintain my lord. The case 55 my lord. Lecture 3. And this is the my lord recruitment rule only for the director action, not for the secretary. Let's just read the notification that 2012. In excess of the power conferred by the provision to Article 339 of the Constitution of India, in supersession of all recruitment rule notified in the subject, except in respect of which none, because of supersession, the government of Arunachal Pradesh is free to make the following rules to regulate the method of recruitment to cause of superintendent group B, non-gazetted, in various departments under the government of Arunachal Pradesh. Various department means directorate and DC, excluding civil secretary. Am I clear, madam? This is only meant for directorate. Right, madam? Lordship see, madam, what? Superintendent group B. And here is the definition for lordship is 49. Right, madam? So their recruitment rules are different. Lordship seat 56. 56, serial number 4, my lord. Number 1 is the my lord, name of the superintendent or disputed. Pay band, lordship may call him. Pay band, my lord, pay grade is 4600. Right, my lord? Then serial number 2, 12, my lord. See the composition, my lord. Composition of the my lord DPC. And here is the my lord, secretary of the concerned department. One is the chairman. Whereas in civil secretariat, it is the secretary GA is the chairman.
Same. Secretary GA and the secretary department would be same.
The concerned department, my lord, secretary of the department, this concerned department. Right, my lord. And civil secretary, my lord, it is always my lord, chairman is the secretary GA. Why not my secretary finance? Can be my lord. Why not secretary law, my lord? Because administration comes under the GA.
Therefore, same thing, same status, same power, whether secretary department or secretary GA.
My lord.
They are having the same equal rank and status.
But the status to be said. Suppose EPC is to be held for my lord, agriculture department. The concerned agriculture secretary will be chairman.
Yeah, just chairman will have the equal rank and status.
No doubt about that, my lord. What I'm trying to say is that, my lord,
there is a different recruitment rule and different appointing authority.
position of the my lord EPC relations are different.
Yes.
My lord, this is pertaining to my lord superintendent. Right, my lord. Now, this superintendent and section officer, my lord. How, my lord, this once we are in same, my lord, term, even by this civil secretary and other my lord, this is all because of my lord, this commission, my lord.
See, just wait before that. By a 1989 rule for the directorate, what is the thing?
89 is for civil secretary.
89 civil secretary. Arunachal Pradesh secretary subordinate. Okay. This is what is the pay scale of this thing? Superintendent?
Here, my lord, pay scale, my lord, I'm sure I could not find it out, my lord. Pay scale, my lord.
Page 54. Page 54. Scale of pay.
Yes.
And this rule for this superintendent, that is 2012, that is where it is? 2012 is where? 55. So by 2012, when this rule was made, it was for superintendent, it was payment to her 9300. Suppose so 2012 this 89 rules remains the same. scale pay remains the same? Obviously not.
No, man.
2002. 10, huh?
What I mean to say.
Hmm.
You also have to see, my lord, whether they belong to same cadre or not.
Hmm.
Well, if they belong to same cadre, then it must be have a same section. Now here I have only these two is, my lord. They have admittedly in 1982, my lord, they were in same cadre, same recruitment rules, my lord. But after 89, things are changed. The secretary they become separate cadre and director become separate cadre. Even while their pay scales are not same.
That is exactly what they are seeking. They seek parity. That the duties and responsibility, initially they were together, although there is a separate recruitment rule, powers and functions, duty and responsibility are same with that of the secretariat. Therefore, it should be given the same pay scale.
Understood.
That is what they are claiming.
Provided, my lord, recruitment rules are. They carry the same status, my lord.
Sir,
Comment to adjust, my lord.
sorry, recruitment rule need not be same. They are appointing recruitment, everything may be mode of recruitment, appointing authority may be separate. But they are within the same state government. If they can show that duties and responsibilities, the works are same, then it has to be considered.
I'll go down if they can prove that they belong to same cadre, my lord.
No.
My lord. Same cadre, my lord, then I don't have any argument.
Not question of cadre may be different, but the equivalency has to be seen on the the duties and responsibilities, what they perform.
Yes. Then, my lord, what we are saying, my lord, they perform the same duties. Right, my lord? My lord, like Justice Surana, my lord, I have also very good examples to say, my lord. My lord, now, my lord, all the honorable judges, right from the Lord Protection Supreme, their duty is administration of justice. Right, my lord? They carry the same duty, my lord. Is they carry the same responsibility or higher, my lord, responsibility? Can they say, my lord, that we should be given at par with this? We should be given all part facilities, man. Can they say, my lord?
Now we're getting the same.
I'm sorry, my lord. You're also getting the same pay scale.
The high court judges are getting the same all over the country.
No. I'm talking about, my lord, duties. They say they carry the same duty. Right, my lord?
Judicial same.
My lord, I may be
administrative, so far as the administrative power is concerned, the master of the one among this thing is the Chief Justice. Rest judicial were judges, so our duties and responsibilities is basically a judicial function.
Correct, my lord.
We're same. So far as the High Court judges are concerned.
I'm not only, my lord, confined to High Court.
With same perks and
Sorry, my lord,
remuneration.
I'm not only confined to the High Court. I'm confined to all the presiding office.
No.
Right, my lord. What exactly they are asking for, my lord? Because they are discharging the same duty.
No, all the High Court, Supreme Court judges have their own power and functions. Though we have the judicial, we have different judicial. I mean,
I'm only concerned with
hierarchy is different.
I'm only concerned with, my lord, duties and responsibilities. Right, my lord. All the presiding officers, they are carrying the same duties. Right,
No.
okay?
No.
And how can they say, my lord, the director, superintendent, and the section officer of the civil secretary, they have the same duties and responsibilities. How do you say, my lord? As you know, should aware, civil secretary in the heart of everybody's state, any state, all the policy programs are carried out. And directorate, not all they implement. The agencies, one of the wing of the government. The main wing is the secretariat, man.
What is the role of the superintendent, for example, in the civil secretariat?
While in civil secretariat, based on that, we don't have. We have a section officer.
Say, for example, section officer.
Section officer.
That has been redesignated.
Yes, doesn't matter. Because of my pre-pay commission, they have been redesignated because their pay scale has enhanced and they have been redesignated. With the commission.
Where you have said so?
My lord, put it there, my lord. I just. Because they have, when I saw the document, so my lord. This is a part of requirement, no one can hide it. So 68, my lord. This is order dated 14 January 89. Orders ministers, my lord, the government of Arunachal Pradesh is pleased to order for restoration of higher status with high scale of aid in respect of the following category of post system of Arunachal Pradesh in the Secretary, which effect from 1/4/1998. This will entitle them to corresponding revised scale of pay as per recommendations of the PK commissions from the prospective date of 1st April 1998. The serial number superintendent, madam. And if your lordship says, madam, the corresponding pay scale 6,500 to 10,500. Right, madam? Then initially, madam, it was 1440 to 2640 to 29.
So that's the problem. Why only for secretariat?
After this, all the recommendations subcommittee were given same.
Maybe, even maybe, madam. There is a rider, even the algo upon that. But here, madam, further the government of Arunachal Pradesh is pleased, is also pleased to order his designation of agency for the procurement of civil secretary as section official with immediate effect.
Where it is? Where it is?
Bottom, madam.
Okay.
Further, the government of Arunachal Pradesh is pleased to order of Arunachal Pradesh civil secretary as section official with immediate effect. So, in lieu of my lord, the commission enhancements of my pay scale, they have been designated because there are categorized my lord. Under this one has to my lord designated officer. Right, my lord? And this was my lord. Petitioner, my lord, they never had any, perhaps my lord, they never told me or they perhaps my lord, they have not submitted any other petition to the government. Even my lord, the section officers. This is of my lord 1998.
Till 2010, you had this.
98, they enhanced the secretariat services.
Then
2002, it was let's say.
2010,
it was
enhanced. Now, what my lord, the petitioner is saying, my lord, 28 August 2022, my lord, 22, yes, and 6. The office member has been issued, my lord.
Same.
My lord, from UDC to superintendent. They will be given at par with the civil secretary, UDC, and civil secretary, superintendent. It does not say, my lord, they will be given the same instead of section officer, my lord. If he can point out, my lord, the petitioner can point out that superintendent of the director will be given as part of this section of the civil secretary, my lord, and the medical doctor. This office memorandum 28 background description. Right, my lord? There are riders, my lord. I don't know how do you lost.
See, although after the redesignation as section officer by 2000, it was in 1998,
Yes,
and 2002, they were getting the same at par with the from UDC to superintendent at par with the secretary. What post was at par?
my lord.
Because there is no superintendent, no longer superintendent in the secretariat.
Correct, it was a section officer.
Ah.
Now they says, my lord, they are going, right, my lord? Going the pay scale drawn by the section officer.
Section officer.
Right?
Ah.
Now see the my lord, as per the revised rate, my lord. And it's different, my lord. The superintendent and the section officer are different.
Where? 2010.
January 1998, brother.
Hmm.
It was 14, brother.
Hmm.
My lord, here if you notice, extreme, my lord, right, my lord, superintendent, down below, the pay scale is given, my lord, 14, 16, 14, my lord.
Hmm.
Right, my lord?
Hmm.
Now, as per my lord, the split pay commission,
Hmm.
they have been revised to my lord 6,500 to 10,500.
Hmm.
So, my submission is that, my lord, the 6,500 to 10,500, it was given to the section officer.
Hmm.
Right, my lord.
And the superintendent.
And the superintendent, my lord, if they can show, my lord, that the same pay scale was given to them, my lord.
They have shown, isn't it? Superintendent were get.
98, that is the whole issue. 98, they have paid secretariat and head.
Ha.
Complain that is why the 2002 order came.
Ha.
Later.
Ha.
From there, we got same scale, 2010.
Ha. 650. 650.
Government, my lord, because we can come to place and then just 7, my lord.
Ha.
There are so many problems, my lord, after the government lecture.
Ha.
My lord, I have already said, my lord, this 31st March 2010, my lord.
Ha. Just before that. Listen, for my clarification only. Just wait. What they are saying that in 1998, the superintendent who were re-designated as section officer, their pay scale were enhanced to 6,000. What is that?
6,500 to 10,500.
Ha. Then they made a complaint or whatever grievances. Then by 2002, they were given the same scale pay. And LDC to no UDC from UDC to this LDC or what?
From UDC to superintendent.
Superintendent. Yes. Now, when they were having the section officer and superintendent were having the same pay scale till 2010. Yes, you come to that page 78. 650, 6,500 to 10,500.
My lord, 2002. As per this office memorandum, the petitioner is claiming that they were given a par value section officer or the superintendent of the civil secretary, right, madam? Then if you lordship, this is the NHS 6. NHS 7 6, if you lordship come to 78. Now the section officer is given further mallet revised pay scale. Initially, mallet as they say, mallet 6,500 to 10,500, right, madam? Present scale. Mallet corresponding pay then if you lordship see mallet column 6 increase to mallet column 4 mallet 7,500 to 12,500. And after completion of 4 years, it will be again increased to 8,000 to 30,500. They are no longer in 6,500. 2010, they already marched to 7,500.
That's why they are crying.
No.
That's why they are crying. Why not to us? Why only to the SOs? We're given the same similar pay scale. That is why they are crying.
My lord, they cried, my lord, because of 2002. Right, my lord?
No. 2002, by 2002, they were given the similar.
My lord, yes.
They are allowed at par. Now by 2010, you have made them cry again. Yes. So still today they are crying.
98, 2010.
So you may show us, sir. You may show us that the why the section officer, why the superintendent nomenclature, or why the superintendent of the secretariat has to be the redesignated section officer, in the secretariat, the secretariat, if any. Why? And why the pay has to be enhanced, given the higher pay scale to the section officer by 2010? You may indicate.
Now, my lord, when to take commission, my lord, to take commissioner, my lord, accepted by the state government. Rest, my lord, that time, even my lord, civil secretary, superintendent, and other department secretary, director, there must be some, my lord, little bit variation in the pay scale or something like that. My lord. After fifth pay commission, my lord, now when, my lord, this section officer, they have given, my lord, this benefit. There are some layers, my lord. After getting this pay back, one has to be re-designated, given officer, something like that. So considering the upgradation of pay scale, in complaint of the fifth pay commission recommendation, my lord. Now, my lord, the section officer, the civil secretary, they will re-designate. They are no longer as a clerk. They become officer, my lord. Section officers, my lord. Whereas, my lord, the petitioners, my lord, the director, whereas, they still remain in, my lord, group C, my lord, post, my lord. Now, section officer is the group B gazetted post. The superintendent is not gazetted, my lord, group B post. It is a difference, my lord. One is gazetted, one is not gazetted.
When it is?
The section officer.
When is the difference started? 98.
Then,
Don't need to worry to superintendent section officer.
no. It starts from somewhere else, but 89, my lord. I'm sorry, it starts from 89, not 86.
Not 89. Pay scale difference starts from 98.
What I'm saying is started from 89 because they have separate recruitment business. 89 money is the mother divergent point. The civil secretary is only director has been separated. So after 89 mala, they are not taken together.
Chinan, what does it say that it's gazetted?
No, 89 is doesn't say gazetted. It's only differentiate. They have a separate role for civil secretary and other director. And if the lordship says, my lord, this start from 98, my lord. And lecture 5, 14 January 1998. Once the superintendent of the civil secretary has been re-designated section officer, my lord. Now they become a group B officer.
Annexure 5. Where do you get it?
So, my lord, second paragraph, order the governor of Arunachal Pradesh is also placed to order re-designation of logistic post of superintendent of Arunachal Pradesh civil secretary section officer.
Where does it say group B gazetted?
My lord, that I can show you. These will not even the additional manner they will dispute manner. Yes. So file on 7/5/2025. Case number 131. Connector 1. File in manner,
Page.
131 manner, connector 1.
Which
is get a notification manner.
Confirm.
Proceed may kindly come to page 122. Composition of service. Serial number 3, CC. Serial number 4, function. Serial also voted now. Section officer. Arunachal Pradesh Civil Secretary Group B. Gazetted. Nothing there.
When your case was considered?
My case.
24.
Now, why this notification one is very clear. All the directors they are Group B non-gazetted officer. They are not a gazetted.
Section superintendent is still Group B non-gazetted.
Yes. Another interesting matter.
Group B gazetted but still ministerial.
Yes. There are two colors, one is ministerial, one is non-ministerial. Another difference, my lord. The section officers and my lord, this superintendent, my lord.
Yes, not gazetted.
Yes. Even my lord, no, my lord, assistant, my lord, from assistant section officer to the section. Even promotion is given, my lord. It has to be on promotion period. This condition is not by the section superintendent. There is no concept of probationer. Be it direct duty or the you also see 136 serial number 14. So there are so many difference, even the recruitment rules.
No, recruitment rules you are not saying, but then
recruitment rules
there's no dispute. They're same. The recruitment rules are different. You have redesignated. You have given the higher status.
Their status are different.
But then what is the duties and responsibilities you have not pointed out? Simply saying that they are working in the directorate, in the department, and these people are working in the civil secretariat, highest level of, functionary, government functionary, highest level of government functions, something like that.
Is this petition disputing that the civil secretary is not the heart of management?
It's okay, this is secretary, but the power and function, duty and responsibility remains the same. There's an equivalency. Some sort of equivalency is there. We're not saying that, but your high power committee appears to be not properly considered in substance. Yes.
We carry the same duties and responsibilities. See the malot secretariat and the director. The secretary being the heart of the any organization. Director is just extended organization. Supported, extended. when they carry the same duties and responsibility with my due responsible mother, answer is no. That's what I tried to say, Mala. I had a very bad example. My love, I was saying, Mala.
It was indeed not only bad, it was the worst example and was not relevant.
When you question the duties and responsibility.
We understand, suppose if you have elevated, see the status, giving a position, you may have a different, I mean, kind of duties and responsibilities, but all along, this is in 2022, all along till 2010 and thereafter also, except the change of nomenclature or redesignation or the separate recruitment rules, there's nothing on record to show that they had a different duties and responsibilities. Now, by you are putting, giving them or elevating them in a higher position of section officer, making them and be gazetted, group B gazetted, and all this thing, it may the responsibility power and duty might have changed by now, but you did not indicate anything except to say that their work are different. Simply saying that their works are different will not be suffice. Yes.
And the affidavit filed by the Eastern Court. Based on the record. If record says something different, my lord.
No, statement is there. There's no substance to that.
But is there any doubt that the civil secretary is the heart of the state, my lord?
No, it's not a question of that.
Is there any doubt, my lord, whether my lord, all the policy decisions, all the important things are decided in the city? Is there any doubt, my lord?
Yes.
Is there any doubt, my lord?
Now, what is the what is the role of the section officer? What is the role of section officer in taking a policy decision?
Section officer, my lord.
Say, for example, section officer for that matter, any.
So many notifications, man. The duty of the section officer that things are placed accordingly. The files are moved accordingly. All the gadget notification, my lord, are placed accordingly so that things can be decided smoothly. My lord, foundation.
You know, I just wanted to know on curiosity, how the policy decision are initiated.
My lord, policy decision are initiated. It is by the concerned secretary to the chief secretary. Finally, chief secretary, my lord, placed before the cabinet.
So, what's the role of section officer?
My lord, it looks very easy. That the role of section officer is to assist the concerned secretary with all the materials, my lord. With recruitment rules, with any notification, so that we can place it in place to the chief secretary to make him convince that it's an important issue to be placed for any policy decision. How can I ignore my grassroots level, my lord? Because foundation is stuck on them, my lord. They know better than the officer, my lord.
Okay, understood. Now the affidavit, additional affidavit, come to additional affidavit. Just say for an example.
If the petitioner considers additional affidavit, my lord, I agree to. Why I will say? Well, even a layman can understand.
Yeah.
If freedom post and promotional post cannot carry the same level of face, then why the petitioner, my lord? You can also see these are the promotion of somewhere in 2019.
I think it's recent one.
26, my lord. Why these things were not before they were accompanied the authority, my lord? Then I asked for the recruitment rules, my lord. Admittedly, my lord, all the recruitment rules. The section officers and the administrative officers carry the same pay level, my lord. I can admit to this, my lord. These are the issues they have a grievance. I will continue to do. Yes, it need to be rectified. They cannot have the same pay. If this is the grievance of the petition, I don't know.
Therefore, there exists an anomaly. So you need to reconsider. Why not saying, will not say that you give them same scale of pay. You need to reconsider. Taking into, will make an observation, prima facie. Because certain things are, there exists really an anomaly.
So far, my lord, these two promotional orders, my lord, I'll admit, my lord, there is anomalies. And that happened because of the recruitment rules, my lord. Because both the recruitment rules carry the same pay level of 7, my lord. Then I asked the officer, my lord, how is it possible? They said, my lord, giving that as per the recruitment. And I told them, no, something is wrong. Either, my lord, administrative officer recruitment rule has to be amended. The pay scale must be updated. You cannot carry the same kind of pay scale.
At least you concede to this.
I consider that.
But vehemently opposed to the
So far, my
claim for parity with the SO.
my lord, so far, my lord, asking me, my lord, at par with the civil secretary, my lord, I am vehemently objecting, my lord. Yes, because, my lord, the directorate staff and civil secretary staff, they cannot do it. Why I am saying, my lord, this administrative officer, my lord, is a group B gazetted officer, no doubt about that. And the fifth post is the secretary, no doubt about that. And see the other side of civil secretary. Section officer is a group B gazetted. His promotion ability is under secretary. Under secretary is a group A officer. Is the entry grade of public service officers. How they can do it? They cannot. And there is no ability officer in civil secretary.
Is there a difference between UDC of the directorate and the secretariat pay scale? I think they have redesignated. That also, that has been the SSA something, senior secretariat assistant.
Yes.
So what is the lower level?
Now, here,
Any idea? In below this superintendent and the SO. No, from in secretariat, it is from promotion from
Then also they have.
assistant.
So assistant.
Assistant. So it is equivalent with assistant. Earlier, I mean the hierarchy. Earlier this is assistant. Now it is assistant section officer. ASO.
This is very, yeah.
So
Junior secretariat assistant, I think they have.
there is LDC. Then SSA is UDC. Then assistant is ASO. Any post, I mean below the section officer or superintendent. Say for superintendent to be promoted as a superintendent director, it's to be assistant.
Yes.
So whether the assistant and the assistant section officer are having the same pay scale. Of course, they are not before us. Only to know.
But one is very clear.
Yes. Okay, you complete your thing.
Now, superintendent of this
Directorate.
they are asking at par with this action. Right, madam. When you see, madam, the recruitment rules, their promotion ability rules, and their official status of one is letter, one is one. Pay scales are different. Their recruitment rules are different. Their general of promotions are different.
Pay scales are different from 2010.
2000.
Of course, 98. From 98 and in between, in between you made it equal.
Yeah, this start from actually 89 when pay provision is implemented. Then they made a representation and somewhere in 2002, madam, the government.
No. Pay scale go different to 98.
98.
2002, there are same different.
Anyway.
No, from till 1998, it was same. right? 81 from 19 till 98 it was same. From 98 to 2002, the secretary they are getting higher pay. From 2002 to 2010, same.
Again, growth same.
Then again 2010.
Then again, from 6 pay commission, 7 pay commission, the things become more. Like start from 3 pay commission, 3 pay commission. You cannot dispute that because that is the matter in the government.
Why you have said so? That statement. Anything you have said so in this thing. Affidavit.
Here the weapon, I can just demonstrate.
No, you have tried it, but then we just want to be clear about it.
Well, we start from paragraph 5, my lord. These are the ratios, where section officers, my lord, to the post that promotion, and how many percent need to go to public service promotion.
Entry level training police relations as entry level.
Now, in paragraph 6, paragraph 5, my lord, we have tried to demonstrate, my lord, the promotion adding of this section officer. 70% from the section officer level, legal post. Then 20% level direct recruitment, diplomatic recruitment level. If you notice it, see, my lord, then 10% is my lord for the promotion, so seniority. Paragraph 6, my lord, we have said, my lord, administrative officer cannot be equal to the death of the undersecretary as under the civil secretary. Other secretaries are group A gazetted post in level 11 of the pay matrix, where the administrative officer belongs to group B. Website category. In paragraph 8, also, we have said, immediately once upon a time, they were in same recruitment rules. In paragraph 5, we have said, the Ministry of Arunachal Pradesh and Ministry of other office that will be equipped to analogy drawn between them. The first status was similar between them cannot be a drastically like that important situation as today the recruitment rule of Arunachal Secretary rather had with amendment extended to the raised in view of important role they played in the government sector. Then paragraph 9 minus. This we try to correlate with the central government secretary. You also see the central government secretary also they are different. Lordship Fellows, the paragraph 10. Where you try to explain the Federal Civil Secretary matter. In Federal Civil Secretary also. Section officer, then senior research, then executive master. State, then
Now they are level 10.
yes.
Pay level 10.
After 4 years, ma'am.
Completion 4 years. What is your level?
Yes, 7 level. Yes, 7 level. Now, once they have become section official.
They're getting a non-functional grade pay also.
Yes. Once they get the promotion to the process section of they get a level 8.
What is your next administrative officer?
Administrative officer.
From administrative officer, assistant director.
Yes. Depends on department to department.
Okay, not necessarily. Thereafter, you may retire also. I mean, there may not be. There may be further. There may not be further avenues also.
Most of the petition that I go to see, most probably retire.
They retire in everything of the maximum. And then the election,
They go up to level 9, not 10. Level 9, 8 and 9.
No, after the non-functional grade pay, they'll be reached up to level 10.
I come for equal pay, equal work. There's nothing in the
Yes.
Even the petitioner, they did not or could not demonstrate that they are discharging the same responsibility as the civil secretary. But the directorate staff cannot, my lord, directly or indirectly, my lord, help, my lord,
Framing the policy.
in making policy.
Taking initiative policy.
They cannot, my lord. They are extended wing of the government. These are the facts, my lord. Now, my lord,
No, by now it appears to be by giving them and by elevating them to the higher, to the post, by providing them a status and benefits. It appears that they have a different kind of this thing. But then all along it appears to be little.
no, but I'm sorry.
And whole problem is
The distinction starts, my lord, the day there is a civil secretary, my lord. Right from, my lord,
before 2010 there were no civil secretary.
my lord. Oh, it was there, my lord. You also may kindly see, my lord. This 82, my lord. 82 rules. My lord, this is Union Territory. Also may kindly mark. Union Territory. Dominant 72 or 75 rules of, my lord, Union Territory. Then, my lord, during that state, you also may kindly see, my lord, it was, my lord, government state. It's a nation state. Then, my lord, 87 we got the, my lord, full pleasure state. It will also all these things happen, my lord. It's prior to that. Then, my lord, now if I say, my lord, civil secretary full pleasure is only after 87.
Civil secretary.
Civil secretary, full pleasure. Because that time it was Union Territory is controlled. Now, leaving all these things, my lord, it is admitted fact. The civil secretary is the heart of every government organization.
Union territory doesn't have the civil secretary.
They have, but it is while controlled by remote is done by somebody else. You see the amendment.
No, not
They are
necessarily.
not independent, my lord.
Not
The
necessarily.
policy decision, my lord, is not independent.
Anyway. Hmm.
University is not. Now, sir, my lord, PK commission, nomenclatures are different. Recruitment rules are different, my lord. Promotion agreements are different, my lord. My lord, on what basis they are asking for, my lord, at par with the civil secretary? I can understand, my lord, if we, some of the directorate, my lord, staffs, or the other, my lord, they are given different benefits. Then, my lord, yes, we plan to the civil secretary, my lord. So, for this 2006 promotion, my lord, the level pay, my lord, I will consider that. There is too much something wrong, and that needs to be corrected. Because trigger post and promotion post does not have the same pay scale.
Why you are placing these rules?
Because of the rules, my lord. Section this superintendent and needs to be pay scales are same as level 7. Yes, needs to be amended.
Okay.
Especially that administrative official needs to be amended. And that one, I will continue, because that's a matter of record, I could even deny also. And because of that, I will be fees, this promotion of order, pay scales, level 7. See, the monetary plan for the PDs are in play, what's there have to be any amendment.
Is it this rule has been finalized? 2026. Is it published in the Gazette notification? May, June, July, yes.
It's coming to form. The display is not because of it. It is since 2002.
So you are trying to show that because of these rules.
Because of this rule, the promotion order passed in 2026, you also see the pay level 7. And this is the explanation given by this public department who makes the same prohibitions. And these are the rules that need to be amended. I'll consider them.
I think it may not be finalized.
This
may not have been finalized. 2026. Anyway, it's not that relevant. It's just an, I mean, kind of will not go into all this thing. But facts remains that rules provides the similar pay scale of both the feeder and the higher post.
Yes. But that part, my lord, is 22nd May 2024 next month. The meaning thereby, my lord, something wrong in the rule of same level of post. Now, my lord, coming to my lord,
judgment.
it's your responsibility. I've said, my lord. Judgment, my lord, obviously, my lord, the driver cannot be equipped with the class of officer. I'm sorry, the undersecretary of the civil secretary is the class of officer. The duties and responsibility cannot be equipped with the driver. Driver to driver, my lord, I can understand. Section officer to section officer, I can understand. But not really, my lord, administrative officer to section officer, undersecretary. So, my lord, lordship be into order of, my lord, passed by the concerned authority. My lord, they are also in lordship says. Basically, what they are saying, their entry itself is different. Their recruitment rules are different. My lord, their charter duty looks to be same, but duties and responsibilities are different. Because civil secretary, my lord, there is, my lord, maybe little bit higher duties and responsibilities in comparison to the director. That exactly what we are seeing. Right, my lord? And how many cases are being requested? Promotion and evidence. These are the all bona fide reason given in the improving order, which nullified the claim for the I don't see any informality in that bottom. Otherwise, if you lordship compare with the other state also, it's different. If you take the example of Assam also, civil secretary director is not. That's my subject.
Any judgment you would like to rely?
For the classification, I can give that.
There are so many judgment in your favor. The way you are if we accept your submission. Yes.
There is an epidemic can only be considered your lordship.
Yes.
In the counter, nothing more. No. I will the judgment. So I did not expect that 95% of the argument advance on behalf of the state is beyond the counter. There is nothing there.
Veil can be lifted. Veil can be lifted. Where in 226, veil can be lifted.
There is nothing mentioned. No record show that there is any difference in the work performed by the section officers and superintendent.
Okay, you may place the judgment tomorrow. Any judgment you would like to rely, you give it to here.
My submission is
we'll close it.
Yeah, my submission is that anything that is submitted for the honorable court, that it either has to be, if it's a petitioner, it has to be there in the petition, and if it is from the respondent, it will have to be there in the counter. There's something may be recorded, and I will take it. Otherwise, the lawsuit has said, lots of things were said. So, but even the land has replied.
No, that I have recorded already.
89, my lord.
Hmm.
Civil secretary says, was saying, 87 is came into that. 89, you come with the rule. For next 9 years, we're saying. For 4 years, you gave them more. Then for another 8 years, was saying. No, there, argument may not be responsive.
Okay.
And then this argument also, that now they are we get them know this. But our disparity first started in 98 to 2000. Not in 2022. Then the reasons given by the high level committee, my lord, that cannot be valid. And in the arm of the rest of that. That is not fair discrimination. That is not reasonable classification.
Wording, on the face of it, wording and the language appears to be no substance.
It appears they have no capability.
That's the problem. Otherwise, you may be correct. It may be, as I said, after elevating them to giving the power, higher position, power status, they may by now they may have a different duties and responsibilities. Yes.
I have my reply. They put all my charter of duty. Why don't they do it in the counter?
That's to their peril. That's to their peril.
This I hopefully is now.
If you claim something, you have to demonstrate it. It's not the same duty or responsibility. Right, brother?
Okay.
I have made that claim the basis of this, and this, and you come with nothing and said it.
But we'll give a different, separate judgment.
Yeah, has to be separate.
And otherwise it will be clumsy. Separate judgment. To make it very clear, for my convenience also, I will give a separate judgment.
You must be separate, I will not advocate to say in the open court itself. Advocate to official manner, because says
as regards the same similar pay scale. Yes, I have noted that. That we'll see.
That I can. But if they are asking at par with the other secretary, then we should.
That has also been noted. That has also been noted.
My judgment is for the
section officer and the superintendent. And administrative officers, though, you are not claiming any gratuity, anybody.
That time, what is the
Then, okay. So, for that reason also, a pursuer, it has to have a separate judgment. Yes, heard Mr. Deepang Leonard, Senior Counsel, assisted by Ms. MS Arthakam, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. And also heard Mr. Arich Nabam, Learned Additional Advocate General for the state respondents. Hearing concluded, judgment reserved. Same order. They're separate orders. Same order. It's over already. We have passed the order. Interim order, eh? You checked it out. 14?
13, 14, 15, and 16.
16, huh? Checked it out and then